with Zen Master G.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Good morning, Zen Master JP here. Says not Unk, just something. I am Unk. Yeah. Where's my Unk glasses, man? Everybody, welcome. Good morning. How we doing? What's up, Dave?
What's up, bro?
All right, I'm ready for.
Log into my breakout account real quick.
Okay, and I'm ready for 70K today.
It's happening.
Bring out the wide shot. That's right.
70K.
Guaranteed.
Put it in the book. I'm going short. I'm going long.
Oh, God.
70K today, guys.
Today, who's ready? Ooh, hope you're positioned.
So positioned, man. Insanely positioned. I guess I have to try to look for longs today, right?
Oh, you made it easy for us. Thanks, Sausage Boy.
Easy. Thank you, Sausage Man. Appreciate you.
What's going on, everybody? Hit that like button early. Are you ready for a Bitcoin analysis and some trades? What's going on?
It's got to be longs, though. Has to be. We gotta. JP, we're strong, independent men. If we want to make 70K, we just gotta open the orders ourselves, bro.
Oh yeah, push the books. Okay.
Yeah, that's it, bro. We gotta be the market makers today.
Okay, you are the macro man. Ready to flex those macro muscles?
Now I gotta be the Bitcoin man. We gotta get to 70K today.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
we're only $5,500 off. Now that's not that big of a move, right?
It's possible, actually. As funny as it sounds, it is possible. It
Really?
is possible.
Based off what?
Hopium.
Based off the wick.
Well, I don't know. I like to be detached from the charts. I'm just looking here now. I asked everybody a very important question yesterday. It was a poll during the evening stream. Will we break above the 4-hour and 5-hour resistance? We have what looks like a very complex head and shoulder here, right? Check this out. There's shoulder, 3 shoulders ahead. And look, 1, 2, 3 more shoulders potentially. Right? Very symmetrical.
Soldiers with shoulders.
Shoulders. Yeah, there you go.
Shoulder soldiers.
Put the soldiers on your
Why
shoulders.
is that so hard to say? Shoulder soldiers.
Kind of a twister, isn't it? Okay. So I asked the chat yesterday, and it seemed like it was like 60%. I think 60% of people believe that we actually do break above this resistance on the 5-hour here. And I got to say, it's given a good effort. And it is above the resistance now. But now are we wicking? Is this the forbidden land of the wicked? Hallelujah. Salvation and glory.
I don't think that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Different
vibe?
Yeah.
Okay. That one's a little more demonic.
The wicked, yeah.
Well, maybe I had to,
land of the witching.
Maybe I had to cleanse myself. Okay. Well, I don't know. All right. Should we even go here? No. Think it over, Monk Man. Think it over. Think it over, Monk Man. Let's move on.
You gotta change the filter on that mouth, bro.
Move on.
You gotta make sure you filter out the...
Oh, man. Okay. Do we break above the resistance? We did break above the resistance, but it is a forbidden land of the wicked right now. Let's put it upside down. Does it make more sense upside down? Do you see what I'm saying with the wicks? Wick here, wick here, wick here, wick. Or does it actually break? It's upside down right now, Dave. Upside down. There's upside right there. The right side. I'm gonna zoom in, man. I still may be looking for shorts here, but the weekly, the higher time frame has me with a bit of a bullish edge, a bullish alliance. We're above the 200 MA, and the candle's looking pretty nice now. Pretty green.
How are we going to get to 70K if we're shorting?
I didn't say I'm shorting, but I'm going to look for weakness. I always look for weakness as well as I look for strength, okay? But let's see, man. There's some strength on the weekly, staying above the yellow line, the 200 MA. Let's see if we get, a move up to fill some fair value gaps or not. All right. Okay, so weekly at support still. Let's go to the daily. The daily still, on this high horse off a green dot. The VWAP coming up, and we're slightly above the 21 MA right now. That's almost a clean break. It's a clean break from the moving averages. Now we just have resistance from price action.
Yo, check this out.
What you got? Damn.
Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it's given possible reversal.
It keep looking dumpy, but it keeps pumping. Is the story.
I don't know, man. Anytime I see this, if those, here's the thing, right? These like indicators and the signals, they have a back end algorithm that certain things have to align, right? If A happens while B is going on, then this indicator, this thing flashes.
Okay.
This thing has flashed 4 times.
Yeah, it wants to reverse.
Man, I think a very speculative high stop loss short is probably gonna pay.
That's what I'm thinking, Dave. That's what I'm thinking.
And honestly, bro, just put it above like 66K.
Yeah.
Because I feel like we're gonna get one of those dumbass wicks. That big move up and then just complete splash to the downside.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm looking at. Unless you think the casino sucks and these bullish conditions, bearish conditions, possible reversals, unless you think they're all BS.
The casino's been awesome for scalping. Okay. And right now it's telling you continuation, essentially, because it tried to give you the indicator for a reversal. It tried, to see the reversal, but there's no reversal. It goes higher.
But 4 times in a row?
4 times in a row.
Something's going to give.
Eventually, I agree. It is going to give, but not right now. It's gonna go a little bit higher and maybe give you a better entry for a short, or maybe match the highs. But we got to look at the small time frames. So we have to make our way to the small time frames. But just looking at the casino, is tried to reverse, but price will not reverse. It'll eventually.
That was a 5 minute, right?
It will a bit, look at that. Yeah, look at that 5 minute.
Look at that beautiful head and shoulders.
And shoulders.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, cool. So let's go back here. So I left off in a daily. Could be a clean break for the moving averages. We just got to get above the resistance of 66.4 and of course the 66.5, 67 level on a daily. I mean, one could call that a chunky flag. I say time and time again, a half of a head and shoulder is a flag. Look, a flag breaking out right there. This is that complex head and shoulder, just a bigger view in a daily. So that thing is breaking out right now. We'll see if it truly conquers the resistance or not. We looked at the 5 hour. Here's the 4 hour with a green dot, by the way. There's a green dot now on the 4 hour at the top of the range. High stochastics, high RSI. Not usually where I look for a high probable long, but this could be continuation long. Look at the volume coming in. We got the volume coming in. It was resistance right there. Everybody tried to dump this thing, including me.
What's your code, bro?
9988.
99.
There you go. All right. So yeah, heavy resistance. I try to dump it. Everybody tried to dump it. And no avail. No avail. This thing is a pump into the upside, guys. This is how you break resistance. The buyers step in. The buyers have stepped in. But the question is it a buyer step in temporarily, or is it a buyer step in to truly get past resistance? Like, notice back here, the last time we got rejected from resistance. Look, similar story, right? Wicks. Forbidden land at a wicket. Everybody tried to dump it. Then look, it got bullish. And then everybody said, oh, the resistance is broken. Just like now, the resistance is broken. The resistance is broken. And we all go long, and then we get clapped. Is this that same thing where there was wicks before, and now there's just a bigger wick, right? Thank you, my friend. Now there's just a bigger wick, and maybe it'll still dump. I'm open-minded, but I'm also open-minded to the bullish case. Yeah, seriously. And I'm also open-minded to the bullish case, okay? So the Monk Man is open-minded. Let's go to the 1 hour. Damn, pushing to the upside. What an incredible move. And we need to mute the casino over there.
Sorry, I was
See,
creeping, bro.
you're good,
Oh,
you're good, you're
shit,
good.
I forgot.
What you got going on?
Did you ever put in that ETH limit short?
What is it?
Remember the short we were talking about on ETH? Yesterday?
Yeah, I remember that. I didn't put that in now.
Oh my God, it just filled.
Uh-oh. Well, hey, you planned this. Do you like the way it looks?
We planned this.
Well, maybe I did put it in. Let me check my breakout.
Damn. Okay. Well, I think that was
Oh, snap. I am in it.
You're in it too?
Yeah, I'm up somehow though. Hold on. We up? Did we just get the perfect entry on ETH? Hold on. You said you're looking for a short, man. Well, we got to analyze that. Do we like the way it tapped us in? Do we like it? We have to take a look.
Okay, so our stop is at 2028.
Man, we did set this, man. What in the world? Did we just get the most perfect entry ever? Because it wicked down.
It did?
It wicked down. It literally tapped us in and wicked down.
Let's go.
We're in the money.
Perfect entry, baby. Let me tell you. Let me just take the second to say something.
Okay.
This is like yesterday, I talked about, I forgot I had put in a limit order, and this shit happens, right? You're like, oh, damn, right, I remember. But here's the beauty of it. We did this on breakout, okay? The most amount of money we can lose on this account right now is $440, which is what the 100K turbo valuation costs. So even if we make the grave mistake of putting in a limit order, forgetting about it, it fills and goes completely against our way, the most amount of money we can ever lose on the trade is $440. What I'm trying to say is buy a breakout evaluation. Thank you very much for your support.
Yeah.
Seriously though, like this, can you imagine if you were looking at something and you just completely forgot and all of a sudden, bam!
Yeah.
There's a limit order and you're like, what am I doing here?
Well, we got to hurry up and analyze that and see if we truly like it, right?
Yeah, I mean,
see if we truly like it.
Because right now we can get out at break even.
Yeah, well, let me hurry the hell up. I'm going to do like 2 more time frames for BTC. 1 hour, just taking off right now. Okay, quick 30-minute, then 5-minute. 30-minute, pretty much same thing. A bit of a brittle trend to the upside, right? It just kind of very diagonally and straight going up. Somebody put a ruler out, okay? And it's going up on an angle. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. 5 minutes, reaching for the sky. That's right, reaching and pumping. BTC doing a sloppy pump.
Slappadapalus.
Sloppy pump. The sloppy pump. All right, so I don't know. Inverse head and shoulder.
Well, that 5-minute head and shoulders is invalidated.
All right. I'm pulling up Ethereum. I'm done with the Bitcoin analysis. It's bullish, man. It's bullish in the small time frames. The 4-hour, 5-hour, we're literally just pushed past resistance. But it's kind of like almost like the way they do it before they kind of just blow off top it, We have to really analyze, put on our X-ray vision, put on our, our microscope glasses. What is that called?
Yeah. Microscope glasses. Patented and trademarked by JP.
Yes, we need like the surgeon glasses. Okay, we need like
where it got the little microscopes in the center of the glasses, and then within those microscopes is another microscope.
Yes, one of those.
Got it.
That's what we need right now on the charts. Okay.
All right, I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna pull up ETH, man.
You know what? I'm pretty blind. You want to try these?
Imagine I can see perfectly. No, there's no way. See, I'm not blind, but stuff get a little bit blurry. Like words get a little bit blurry, man, when it's kind of far away and small, You're like,
time to get some glasses, brother.
Maybe.
Yeah,
man.
you're getting old, dog.
I gotta admit, man, when I did go for my driving test, man, like I had to retake my driving test, man. Not gonna get into that whole thing, but man, like a couple years ago, my God.
Get into it.
No, I'm not
what
getting
happened?
into it.
No, I want to know. I thought it was a good story here. Yeah.
No good stories, no juiciness, no, what'd you say yesterday? A what? An intimate story?
Yeah, exactly.
We want an intimate story. No. Well, here's the intimate story. I had to pass a vision test to get my license. And I was struggling, keeping it real, man. I had the thing they put on you look into, and you got to call the numbers. I was struggling for my life, man.
Me too. The first time, I don't know how I passed. Second time, they're like, yeah, you need glasses. I'm like, I know.
That lady, I think she was being very patient with me. It was only supposed to take about 30 seconds to a minute or something. I was there for a good 5, 6, 7 minutes, just taking my time on each letter. Like, it got to be a J. There's no way. It can't be anything else but a J. Tell me it's a J.
He's analyzing the letter. Well, the letter came into the pattern this way. It must be a J.
Unkman, baby. Unkman. All right, let's go. All right.
Beautiful idea. ChatGPT, make me a costume for the Unkman. Just kidding. We're not going to.
I would love that.
The
Actually,
Macro
can we
Man
do
and-
that?
That's what we're gonna be for Halloween. It's the new version of the Step Brothers, bro. Macro Man and Unk Man.
I love it, man.
And then all we need to do is just find a hot dog glizzy for Rob to dress up. I actually had that costume from last year. Okay, let's get back to the chart.
All right, perfect. Ethereum, I'm pulling it up. Community alts. What's going on, community? Can we get some random fives? Can we get some love? Okay. Welcome to the congregation.
We
Zen
get some
City Crypto.
nicotine up in here.
Yeah, Zen pouches. Come on. Zen it up. Ethereum, is it looking good? ETH. Is it looking good for? Oh man, that thing got a huge shoot up on a 1 minute.
Is there better?
Yeah, that's what tapped us in. Let's zoom in on it.
Damn, Bitcoin is.
It's like class B on the RSI. You got higher price but equal momentum, and then maybe slightly lower momentum on the market Cipher B. So not the strongest bull div, but I do see some, and it may be too early to tell. But this thing went straight up. Are we at a major resistance on any time frame? The 2 hour, we just blast past the 200 MA on the 2 hour. But look what happened the last time we tried to blast past it. We got rejected hard. Does ETH get rejected hard here? Talk to me, folks. All right, let's go to some more time frames. I'm looking for resistance on ETH and also just looking at the general structure. What is the general structure here? Market structure. Yeah, we got bullish engulfing candles coming in here. Oof. That 10 hour is interesting.
Why?
Still a clean break, but it's giving like complex head and shoulder to me. This may help us in a bearish case right here. Two shoulders, head, and then two more shoulders. Not perfect, but now you're trying to invalidate. I mean, a bullish engulfing candle coming in, Stokes pointing up, RSI pointing up, green dot, VWAP coming up. Yeah. See here. What did I just do?
I'm setting up a short.
On Bitcoin.
Yep.
You are. All right. What's the community setting up? I guess I'll come up with a poll. You got any good ideas for a poll right now? Any creative polls?
David's stupid for trying to get into a short right now.
All right, I love it. Perfect.
You love it.
Perfect. Perfect. Let me set that up.
That's a joke.
I'm so serious. Oh, super chat coming in. Enog. Super chat coming in. Enog says Solana, please. Clapaholics. Oh. All right. I got you. Let's prioritize Solana. All right. Solana request for Enog.
Just kidding. I can't short it.
All right. I am going to set up that poll.
I mean, I'm not shorting it. It was a joke.
You serious?
Yeah. I mean, I was playing around with numbers, but I'm not going to do it. It would be stupid to try to short right now.
Is it? I don't know. Let's ask the community.
Well, I mean, do you find any, are there any key levels? I mean, everything looks bullish. The 1 hour looks bullish. The 2 hour looks bullish. The 4 hour definitely looks bullish.
All right. Put it like, okay, is David stupid for looking for a short? I don't know if it's ever stupid to look for a short. Maybe getting into it would be a different idea, a different thing, right? Is David stupid for looking for a short? Yes or no? All right, here we go. Poll out. The poll is out. Head to the polls, everybody. Your vote counts. All right, I'm going to get Solana ready here for Enog. The super chat request. We do prioritize super chats. Appreciate you. All right, what's Soul looking like? You know, some do call me the Soul Daddy. Let me see here. Give you a quick top.
Why did you do this to me, man?
All right, Enoch, here's your quick top down on Solana. Weekly time frame, still looking pretty struggle bus, I got to say. I mean, it's in bearish consolidation and in a discount. Looking at the weekly, a pretty weak candle coming in. But it is green. There's a red dot on the daily and a momentum to the downside. Could it be a trend down to break up type of situation though? Trend down to break up. Or is it just a larger bearish consolidation, ascending triangle to the downside? We'll see. We'll see. Look at the daily. It looks a little bit better on the daily as we have a flag. We have a flag that has clapped me in the past. And I may get my lick back. Low stochastics, at least pointing up. Green dot, green money flow. This isn't too bad right here. It's given Trojan horse, or maybe it's given seahorse. It kind of looks more like a seahorse, no?
Seahorse.
A seahorse. What does the seahorse do? Is it bullish or bearish? Maybe it's the Trojan horse that actually plays out. I don't know. But green dot on the daily, a nice flag right there, could break out. It could break out to the upside, and in fact, maybe likely breaks out, especially if Bitcoin breaks out. You already know. The setup is there on Solana. It's that flag. It is that flag. All right, let's take a look. Take a look at the 8-hour. 8-hour above the 200 MA. Trying to get a move here. Maybe the first signs of bullishness here for Solana. The 4-hour.
I got into a short.
Okay, awesome. You gonna give us the numbers?
Sure.
Yeah, let's cut to you for a moment. Get back to Solana.
You know what it is. You know what it is, my friends. It's a trade alert. This is the good old Dave special, my friends.
The dirty Dave.
A to B to C. Bear div all the way around. 21's curving over. Very simple. Will I lose this trade? Maybe. Do I take this trade 9 out of 10 times when I see it? Yes, I do. This is on the 10-minute time frame, so nothing like the 3 or the 5. I've noticed the higher the time frame, the more probable to trade. But then again, this thing could just say, screw the bear div and just completely go. If you want to wait for confirmation, wait for that 9 to start approaching that 21. You'll get a little bit of a worse entry, but higher likelihood that you won't get stopped out of the trade. So
I don't want no confirmation. I want the numbers.
So the entry is now, because you have a better entry than I. Stop. So if you're getting in now, you can move your stop up to like 64.8, and then TP's down at 63.8. This is a 5-to-1, more than a 5-to-1. So it is a little riskier because Bitcoin is ripping up, but the R&R is there. It's a 5-to-1. We can lose what? We only have to win 1 out of 5 of these trades to be in the profit because it's a 5-to-1, right? Those are the numbers. 20% on 5-to-1s.
Something like that. I can pull it up.
Yeah, I mean you don't have to. You're good, but I'm
damn,
pretty
that
sure
stop loss is close, man. You don't.
That's the whole point of the. That's the whole point of the dirty
sniper
Dave,
entry, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
it's a sniper entry.
Yeah,
you're betting that 3 consecutive lower highs on the RSI is not going to give you a newer high. Yeah, that's what you're betting.
All right, I'm with you, man. If I lose, it's your fault.
Okay, done.
No, I'm kidding, guys. Don't ever have that mentality, ever.
No, you can blame me, bro. It's okay, man. You can blame me, but the community can't.
Oh man, but I like the Dirty Dave, man. Dirty Dave is one of my favorites, so keep it dirty, Dave.
Okay, keep it dirty, baby. All right. Anyways, so there it is. But and the other thing too is, yes, is this a little riskier? Absolutely. Are you fighting the trend? Absolutely. But we're spotting weakness. And we're not risking too much, okay? This is, let me do the math here real quick. Here, I'll go to my right camera real quick. So this is, if I remember my algebra correctly, and then multiply that by 100. This, if I do take this loss, it's 1.8% of my overall trading portfolio.
Okay.
So is it riskier? Yes. Am I using proper trade management? I would assume I am. So there it is. Bitcoin short down to 63,800, but be prepared to potentially take some profit at the 200 MA on the 10-minute, which is at 64 even. Nice round number, but what I expect, if we do get that big dump that I'm expecting, I would expect a wick like this and then a push to the upside. I would love to see what liquidity looks like. And in fact, I'm going to pull this up. Yeah, I'm probably going to take partial. Let's do this, and I'll show you guys. I don't know if anyone's ever done this, but if you're on BitUnix, you can hover over your entry. This little thing that says E, you can click on it. Now you're partial. Why don't we take some partial profit here at 64,000 at the 200 MA. And let's do half of our position here. And we'll do the amount. Can I see the amount? Okay, how about we do that? Let's get rid of that. Let's bring our partial TP down here. We'll do 50%. Let's bring the other TP down to the original 63,800. And we'll do the remainder. Bam.
Ladder out.
Ladder out.
No.
So why? Why did I just change? Well, we came back to the chart on the 10-minute time frame. There's a large volume. The highest volume node is at the 50 MA, right? At 64.3. Second largest is right at the 200, where we bounced once, twice, 3 times on a wick. I want to secure profits as we come down to that 200 and then take the rest at 63.8. If we don't make it all the way down to 63.8, then it is what it is. So, yeah.
It is what it is, man.
It is what it is, bro. That's it. Call it what you want to call it.
Do what you want to do. Stay true.
Straight up.
It's old school, man.
Hell yeah.
All right.
I don't even know what you're talking about, but yeah.
No idea, man. Shout out to all the real hip hop fans out there. Hey, shout out to all the Nas fans out there. Hey, let's go. Come on.
Nas.
No, it wasn't. But
it wasn't? Oh.
I just appreciate
Trying
it.
to trick me, bro?
Sorry. Shout out to the Most Def fans, too. Okay, let's go. So Solana, we had a super chat. I was doing a top-down analysis. Almost done here. 4 hour. What do we have here? We have 3 lower lows. Do we have higher momentum? Right there, but not there. That kind of ruined it. All right, ruined it right there. But do we make some type of inverse?
The creepy inverse head and shoulders, bro.
Yeah.
It's like one of those, like the sharp ones, the creepy ones.
Yeah, for real. So that's interesting. That's interesting right there. Will that make some type of creepy inverse head and shoulder on a 4 hour? Green dot, momentum and RSI pushing up. A little bit overbought there. Here's the 30-minute on Solana. There we go. Solana looking not too bad. They said exhibit. Damn.
X to the Z exhibit.
That's like some West Coast, type thing, right?
Hell yeah.
You guys like out here?
I love listening. What's the difference between me and you? About 5 bank accounts, 3 ounces in 3 ounces in 2 vehicles.
Yo, how important is West Coast culture, man? Where's all my West Coast people?
Very important.
Like, is it as influential as East Coast hip hop culture? The Notorious Bigs and I was about to say your ditties. I was about to say.
Damn.
That's hilarious. But the funny thing is, man, hate or love the man. He was responsible for, a big part of hip hop history, including Notorious Big, right? But anyway, we're getting sidetracked here. I'm just learning West Coast culture though, man. But with my West Coast people.
West side?
West side.
That's what you fat money. Sorry, okay.
All right. We wild. Yeah, we're crazy. Solana, nice little trend there. Nice little stiff trend. A little stiffy to the upside. Wicking off that 200. Getting pretty bullish here. Solana on the 30-minute time frame. I'm liking what I'm seeing. 5-minute time frame coming pretty much straight up. Any bear div? No bear div. The trend is strong. The trend is strong and the trend is up. And the trend is your friend, and your friend is, inviting you to go up. Unless that friend isn't really a friend, but we'll see. Is it a bad influence on you? Is it one of those type of friends?
Stupid friend.
All right.
It's a friend you should have dumped a while ago.
Yeah, but overall, Solana pretty bullish, I would say, on the smaller time frames. The larger time frames is still concerning. Like the weekly is very concerning still for long. The daily has some hope with that flag right there, that small piece of flag. All right. Hope that helps you, my friend Enog. We appreciate you. Clapaholics. All right.
I'm going to take over so my friend here can enjoy his breakfast.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's so nice, man. Look at you.
I got you, Bill. I want you to, you said dump or something like that. You said, I think the word dump came out of your mouth.
I said dump.
Look at this.
Huh? Google?
Yeah.
Weren't we in the short for that? Or?
We were not. This was, and I'm back analyzing the trade here. Or not the trade, the lack of trade. Was there any bear div on the way there? There sure was. Look at how tiny those candles started to get, and then bam, just completely washed everyone out. Take a look at this on FinViz. Google down 4% on the day. Communication services are taking an absolute beating. T-Mobile down, Verizon down. This is AT&T down. What happened? Y'all not paying your phone bills or what? Google down, Meta down. Tech is still up though. Nvidia leading the way, it looks like, up 4.39%. We take a look at the groups here. Basic materials sector is up 2.5% on the day. Healthcare up 1%. On the week though, tech is still crushing it. Up 11% on the week. Let us go to our chart screener. Let's filter out for only mega. All right. Let's go to the tech sector. And Shut up, Siri. You're freaking annoying, bro. Let's do, how about a short float above 5%? SanDisk is the only one that comes up. Let's look at you, Monsieur SanDisk. This is SanDisk, I believe one of the leading, if not the leading company for storage solution, I guess you can say, memory storage. This kind of looks like bullish consolidation here, a little bit of a flag. This is on the 1 hour time frame on SanDisk. And this would be a fairly large measured move, which would bring us up to around $1,700. Now, remember, SanDisk was one of the best performing stocks, if not the best performing. I got all the way up to $2,400. This is what the daily looks like. Let's go ahead and remove those drawings. We've had one gap. I was going to say two consecutive gap ups. Today's open didn't open at yesterday's close, so there was a slight gap down. Although the market for SanDisk is green right now, but we are tapping that 21 MA on the daily time frame. Is it time for a SanDisk short? Stokes high. I believe it was the 4 hour. Oh, earnings are today. Earnings are today. Is it aftermarket? Looks like it is aftermarket. Yep. Aftermarket close. Earnings today for SanDisk. You know what's funny is I used to trade earnings reports, and if it was going to beat it, I would long it on options. If it was going to not beat it, then I'd vice versa. But that is not the case, because guess what? SpaceX came in yesterday. They beat their estimated earnings on Wall Street, and they dumped. SpaceX absolutely dumped. So far, SanDisk on the daily looks a little bearish, approaching resistance. But do we want to get exposure on a day that it's going to file its earnings? Let's take a peek at some low. Oh, 10 hour. Okay, let's see what you got for me. 10 hour. 10 hour Stokes starting to roll over. Where's VWAP on the 10 hour? VWAP curving down. Can we try to front run a a red dot on the 10 hour? Let's see if the 8 hour is any closer on that VWAP bearish cross. It sure is. Approaching the 50 MA, right at a volume POC here for SanDisk. We did just get the death cross, where our 200 cross below the 21-day moving average. Let's go down the 6 hour time frame. 6 hour, putting some wicks to the downside. There is a fairly large clap gap from current price down to around 1259. Let's see. Let's sketch out a SanDisk trade and see what that would look like. SNDK. And these are just sketches, okay? We're sketching. We're sketching. Give me the 6 hour if it's available. And it is not available, so I guess we'll go to the 4 hour. 4 hour right above or right below the 200 MA. So let's see on the 6 hours. So we want to be above around 1475 for a stop loss. Let's go back to this. Let's put in a limit order, current price. Let's set our TP and stop loss. Let's go 1475 for TP. Let's just put that there for now. We're going to go short, stop loss, 1475. And our TP down around 1250. What does that give us on an R&R? 1250. 1250. That gives us a 3-to-1. Not bad. Let's bump this up a little bit. Let's see what that looks like. 65 for 200. $115 for 347. A little less than that. Let's go. Let's see what that looks like right there. Little less. There it is. 90 for 271. Okay. What if we... little bit of a head and shoulder vibe on the one. Ooh. All right, I'm in a SanDisk short. Short me, SanDisk. Got that right there. We'll cover that wick. Bam. TP's down. Let's move that down to the 200 MA. on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so second trade of the day, we are in a SanDisk short. Why, David? Why would you short SanDisk? Well, we're at the volume POC. Daily looks fairly bearish as we approach the 21 MA. In fact, we should probably have our stop just... No, I think our stop is fine. Look at that volume POC. We're right out there. I'm betting that this thing falls through that clap gap down to around 1260, 1250, which is exactly where our TP is on SanDisk. And so earnings come out today, so expect volatility. Could it be volatility to the upside potentially or to the downside? But we want that volatility, and we're betting that we're at some key resistance levels that no matter what happens, unless it's some insane beat on earnings, and even then, it's not promised or guaranteed that the price is going to go up. Also, head and shoulders at the top of a range after a big move up on the 1 hour time frame. I like SanDisk for a short. Checking in on the Bitcoin trade, up 11%. Those of you that followed along. I believe I put this one on breakout as well. And the ETH trade, because we forgot that we put it in, that one is also in the profit. So SanDisk, short. Okay, and that was, by the way, short float over 5%. What does that mean? That means 5% of the shares outstanding are shorting, right? 5.38%. And where is it at on the... does it show you where? Could have swore there was some, right there. 64% above its 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. So we lie SanDisk for a short. Daily looking like a toppy area right below the 21 MA. So we got into a SanDisk short, JP.
Okay. SanDisk short. I was looking at that. That looks interesting. So you put it on breakout and
no, BTC? It's not on breakout. It's on BTCC.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll kind of sift my way through these charts here. Let's take a look. We started with Google. Let's start on the 30-minute and work our way down. Google had a big spill-off, approaching the 200 MA on the 30-minute. I don't want anything to do with that in terms of at least a short. Here is SpaceX. SpaceX looks like it wants to put in a nice inverse head and shoulders here. There's your left shoulder. There's your head. Right shoulder. Can we stay above the 200 MA and create that right shoulder? That will be fairly bullish. We're right at a volume POC coinciding with a 9-day moving average, which we've bounced off before. I said this yesterday. I'm a little scorned. I'm scarred because SpaceX is turning into the new river for your boy here. Can't seem to hit a trade on SpaceX. Here is IBM. IBM showing a little bit of bear div on the 30-minute time frame from high A to high B. You can see the lower highs on the RSI. Not enough for the Dirty Dave short as you just get a VWAP crossover with a fresh green dot. Also, guys, you know, we draw patterns on price action. We can also draw patterns on momentum as well. Are we getting a head and shoulders on the momentum? Take a look at what happened last time we got a head and shoulders on a momentum. Let me squeeze the RSI down. Okay. It was right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay. And after that shoulder, price dumped 2%, which is more than enough to make money on if you're positioned short or vice versa if you were positioned in a long. Not to say that we're going to short this now, but something to keep an eye out on. Also, if price starts to roll over now, this could form some sort of a head and shoulders on the 30-minute time frame. 1 hour looks very bullish though. With Stokes slow reset, so I don't want anything, nothing to do. I don't want anything to do with this one on the short. Okay, let's take a look at Apple. Apple on the 1 hour, right? It started to get that move up, broke above the 21, lost it, got above it again, and now it is right at the 21 MA for Apple. We know Apple got I think the new product announcement is coming this month for the new iPhone 18.
Oh.
Should see some volatility around that. Will it be bullish? Will it be bearish? I don't know. I don't know the product. I don't know how the market's going to perceive that. But either way, should see some volatility. Here's Oracle on the 1 hour. Potential head and shoulders on the 1 hour for Oracle here. Do we have any bear div on Oracle? Let's take a look. Oracle yesterday, when looking at it, this thing was running. This was from, what is today? Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
Today is Wednesday. Yeah, from the, wait, no. How is that right? Wednesday at 3 o'clock?
Ooh, Shamitra said the first shoulder and head must have divergence in the head and shoulder.
The first shoulder and head must have diverged.
That makes a lot of sense. I've never looked at it like that. Like,
you know what's funny, Shamitris, is and great observation. I was literally just thinking about that. I was thinking it in my head. I'm like, does the head and shoulders have divergence? Now, not to say I've ever traded it that way.
Yeah.
But I was thinking about it. So I'm glad you mentioned it. Great observation. So this one technically has class B bearish divergence. Let's go back to our SanDisk. Okay. I think it was SanDisk 1 hour. We're looking at a potential. Was this
Ooh, nice flag.
SanDisk, was it the 1 hour? No, was it 2 hour head and shoulders? Was it 1 hour head and shoulders?
That small time frame looked bullish.
I think it was I think it was here. This one does have some bear div.
You shorting that on what time frame?
Yeah, I shorted this on the daily.
Okay, that makes sense. And what time frame is that? The 1 hour?
This is the 1 hour, yeah. Okay. Here's the daily.
Oof. The 1 hour looks like continuation, but I know you're playing the short play off the 21, right? Off the daily.
Correct.
That makes sense.
Correct. So yeah.
Interesting.
Okay, so we left off on Oracle. I think we're on the 30-minute time frame for Oracle. Was it the 1 hour we saw? Yeah, here's the 30-minute. Looks like a head and shoulders here. Do have some no bear div on the 30-minute, but we do have some bear div on the 1 hour. Some class B bear div from left shoulder to the head. Red X just flashed on the 1 hour time frame on Oracle. This might be interesting for a short as well. But VWAP coming up, wanting to get that bullish cross for a green dot. We do have that trigger wave short that flashed on market site for B. It flashed and it closed. And it is dumping. It looks like it's dumping right now off the 21. This one might be a nice short as well. What does this look like? Let's sketch this trade out.
Damn.
I know. I just feel like I'm always like perma-bear. I'm like perma-bear now. I know, man. It's terrible.
Perma macro man. Perma-bear. Macro man. Hey, however you can get paid, man.
6 to 1. I don't like that the Stokes are low though. Stokes are pretty low. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what the lower time frame looks like. Oh, I like this 1 hour, man. What do you think about this, JP? Looks like a short setup to me, but Stokes are looking like they want to start coming back up. RSI is at 56. VWAP coming up for a potential bullish cross, but obviously could end up U-turning. And then that trigger wave short that just printed on the 30-minute. Let's take a look at Heiken Ashi. Heiken Ashi tells us to wait. There is no confirmed downtrend, as you see the wicks to the upside. But the move up, obviously has lost momentum, right? We had the no wicks to the downside all the way up here. Then we started to see some consolidation. Another leg up with some bear div consolidation. The second leg up didn't give us the entry for a long or confirmed entry for a long. And now we're sitting right at the volume POC on the 1 hour time frame.
Bear div does favor a short, right? And you failed to put in that second high right there. So, I mean, it does look like it could be a short, but I mean, the trend is still up. We never lost any lows.
I mean, we lost to 21 right now in the 1 hour.
Yeah, but I mean, as far as like just price level, like, the previous lows, no lows have been taken here. So it does look like a short setup potentially based on the bear div. I think that's the most compelling thing to me personally is the bear div. But it's still an uptrend and it can continue to go. Look how green that money flow is, right? That money flow,
but that money flow is coming down. I don't like looking at money flow.
Mm-hmm.
It's just such a lagging indicator.
Yeah, for sure.
Head and shoulders on momentum too. All right, I'm gonna go for a short here as well.
To me, this would depend like on the time frame. Like
this is the 1 hour.
Higher time frames. I would trust it more. Oh yeah, I love those kind of views. Yeah, I like that.
Now the 4 hour Stokes are high. No bear div on the 4 hour though, right? We did catch momentum caught up. Momentum was moving with price to the upside. And I love that my TP is at the 50 at the volume POC on the 4 hour time frame. I'm kind of torn on this one, man. 50 is about to cross the 200. Is there any bear div on the 2 hour time frame? There is not. There is no bear div on the 2-hour time frame. Looks like the 1 hour is giving us some bearish vibes, but the 2 and the 4 hour potentially are a little more bullish. What about the 8-hour time frame? 8-hour time frame looks like it's flagging.
That's a short, man, on 8-hour. See, I like those higher time frames with the way overbought and the red dot. I love to see the red candles coming in, the red engulfing, the tweezer top. That looks awesome. Awesome.
Let's sketch out this trade.
Damn, son.
I'm going to go based off of the 1 hour. It's going to be the same thing, but 149.18 and the 200 MA on the 1 hour brought this thing down to? Let's take a peek. Yes, it was. Okay. So we're looking at a stop loss of 149.30 and 130.73. 149.30. For a short, stop loss is 149.3 and the TP is 130.73. 130.73. 100 for 283. Why are the odds that shitty? Let's go look at this chart. This gives me, this is giving me 125. Let's go ahead and pull up Oracle on stocks, Oracle USDT. Wow. Oh, because it's on stocks, crypto. There we go. On BTCC. 128.21. Interesting is showing different. 128.21. TP is 128.21. There we go. It's a 3.3 to 1. Looks like we can get a little bit of a better price here. And 99. I like that. We're going to get into a short here on Oracle. So this is another trade alert here on Oracle. We're going Oracle short. We're playing the head and shoulders on the 1 hour with confirmation on the higher time frames for a short. Our stop loss is above the theoretical head at around 149.30. Our TP is down right around the 200 MA. According to TradingView, which I don't know why the numbers would be so different because the source is BTCC. But either way, TP is down at 130 or 128.21. So the numbers are, the entry is now, we'll make that entry now. Entry is now, stop loss is, I hate that you have to do this. I guess we got to put a new stop loss. Stop loss is 149.48. TP is down at 128.20, 128.30. Risking 107 to make 329. This is around a 3 to 1 trade setup on a Oracle short. We'll see. Am I going to get cooked for shorting everything today? Potentially. But the charts are the charts and the numbers are the numbers, my friends. So there you go.
The numbers. All right. I'm going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Macro Man, can you look at Circle for me, man? Am I cooked? I'm in a Circle.
Yeah, we both are.
Yeah. We're in a Circle long. Are we cooked? Can you look at the 4 hour?
Yeah.
I'll look at Bitcoin. All right, let's see what we got here. See what we got. All right, let's see. Let's get back to Bitcoin.
Oh my God, what is that wick?
I saw that. Yeah, show us. It was about to break out, man, and it just got rejected.
But where did it get rejected? Off of what? Volume? A volume POC? Yeah, this looks kind of bearish, man.
Yeah.
I mean, and we both got into this trade yesterday. So we're betting that this is a bottom.
Yeah, if it was a stiff trend or something, maybe it'll start
like it's rounding. Yeah, it looks like it's rounding out. I mean, we do have our stop below these wicks here. So I don't think the trade is necessarily like cooked. I don't think we're effed. But like do something. Reclaim the 21. We were looking at this on Tau yesterday, remember?
Yeah.
We were on the evening show. I joined JP for about an hour and a half.
What's up with
We were waiting on Tau to close the daily above the 21, which it did. Continuation, potentially barely closed above the 21, though. Look at that. Just barely. That would have been a premium entry, 195.29. If we can clear this level and get up to like $200, we're going up to 213. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but yeah. Is there any bull div on Tau here? Let's take a peek. There is bull div on Tau. Lower high on price. Sorry, lower low on price. Higher low on the RSI. That's some pretty heavy bull div. Stokes up, so we might get a little bit of a retracement. This is the daily. And I know you wanted to look at, I don't know, what did you want to look at again?
No, it was circle. No, you got it.
Circle. I don't like that we had a bearish VWAP cross on a green candle, though. That's usually not a good sign. 2 hour bullish consolidation, maybe. 1 hour extended pennant. But does that move up big enough? That's the question. Because if it's not, you're looking at somewhat of a symmetrical triangle here, which could break, up, or it could break down. Right? So it's typically a 50-50. You can give it an edge depending on how it came into the pattern. This came into it bullishly from a low of around 187.16, but it could still break to the downside. I'd be interested in, if we are going to take that daily long, maybe a great entry would be down at the bottom end of this range here, 196.17 for Tau.
Okay. Get in the bottom of that consolidation.
Yeah.
Bless you, my friend.
Because, you're still bullish on the daily, yes?
For Bitcoin.
No, for Tau. Clear the 21.
Yeah.
21's curving up. 9's about to cross above. We're at the volume POC. Right? Looks like a rounded out bottom here. Tau's been beat to shit for a while. We talked about a potential Adam and Eve forming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What if we use the 1 hour symmetrical triangle rotation to the bottom of the range for our entry?
I like it. Bottom of the range, baby. Come on.
Go ahead.
Come on.
Enoch sent 5 gifted memberships. Enoch, we thank you.
All right, where's the drop the confetti, Laura? There we go. Drop the confetti. Woo! And drop some money too. Enoch, thank you so much. And welcome all new members to the congregation. That's right. Welcome to the congregation, all new members. Thank Enoch for your membership. All right.
Thank you, Enoch, for the membership.
And all current members, go ahead and give me some exclusive member emojis. That's right. Show me you're part of the club.
You wanted to look at something, right? Before
it was circle. That was it. Just circle.
Okay.
But what do you guys want to see? The community, the congregation. What would you like to see? All right. Enoch says, email to JP. Thanks. Enoch, I got you, man. Appreciate you. I'll respond to you. Oh, yeah. All right. What's happening, man? Ethereum on a 4 hour looking kind of bullish, man.
It is.
If you ask me, man.
It's looking very bullish.
The clapping may be coming, but we'll see, man. Ethereum had the freaking, the dirty Dave on a daily, but it may not care. It may not care, man. Low Stokes green dot now on a daily. VWAP coming up. Everything looking bullish. Rob might have been right, man. 70K today. Show the widescreen.
Shut the hell.
Show the wide shot, man. 70K today.
You're high if you think we're going to get 70K today. You're better than that, bro.
70K today. You heard it here first. Crazy work.
I can't do this.
Who's bullish, man? Do we need a poll? 70K today? Question mark. And what was that other poll? Let me see. Do we need to end that now? It says, is David stupid for looking for a short? 58% said, no, you're not stupid, Dave. Not stupid. You should be looking for a short. 42%, only 42% say yes, you're stupid.
Fair enough.
Yeah, so there we go. I'll end the poll there. I think we got enough votes. Folks, hit the like button if you haven't yet. We truly appreciate it. If you enjoy the stream, if you are entertained and informed or just present, hit the like button. We love you. New poll coming out.
Also, Almeisha said, Ada bearish. And he says, Papi. Sorry. We can take a look at Ada.
Yeah, let's look at Ada. I'm about to get clapped pie on a short on Ada. 70K today? Question mark. There it is. Yes or no? Yes or no? There's a poll. They're really taking it serious.
I can't.
Is there a true way, a possibility of that? Hold on, let me see here.
Is there a possibility? Sure. Is there a possibility that that McDonald's you say is going to give you diarrhea? Yes, of course. You know what I'm saying?
Anything's possible.
ADA, this is interesting. ADA with a red X on a green candle. Where's your stop on ADA? 25 cents?
No, not that high. It's like 22 or something like
I
that.
think you'll be fine, dude.
Yeah.
I think you'll be fine. Is your TP around
Like
17?
if you go to the daily, I think it's above the wick to the left.
Yo, this is...
See that wick to the left?
I think you're good, bro.
Like the daily looks like a freaking short, man. Are you
good.
kidding me? Come on,
I think
man.
listen.
Like, can I short it to the 21 at least?
I think you're good, bro. I think you're good. Where's your... But your TP is probably down here at like 10
Yeah,
cents.
like, stop, no. At the bottom of the range. No, but seriously, I would like to at least take it to the 21. Can I take it to the 21? Come on.
17 cents?
Come on.
You can. You know, I give you permission to take it to the 21-day moving average. You're welcome.
70K today? Yes or no?
But again, that 4-hour red X, man. Okay, how about this? JP, if anyone's like, oh man, I want to get into an ADA short, what would you say about an entry at the 21 on the 4-hour with a red X on the green candle, VWAP trending down?
Oh, I like it. Now we making a right shoulder, you know? We've been talking about head and shoulders. And
you know what, JP? You're already in the trade, right?
I'm in the
Let's
trade.
go ahead and put this on the decks, yeah? You
whoa.
like that? You want to put it on the decks?
Ah.
ADA short on the decks? What do you say?
Ah.
We'll have a tighter stop, though. We'll go, I mean, the stop is the same. What? Why are you laughing, bro?
I'm sorry. I'm laughing because I did not give you the confidence that you expected.
Oh, fair enough.
Sorry.
What about right here? 17.74, 0.1774. That's probably going to give us really crappy R&R. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's too shitty. What about the 200, 1706? This is on the 4-hour time frame, by the way. Take a peek what that looks like. That's better. Not really. That's a 2-to-1. You had it on the daily, and your TP was down here, right around 16.
It was like at the very bottom of the range, I think. Like literally the lowest low. Crazy work.
Okay, how about 15.41?
There you go. Dave likes the ADA trade. I don't even like the ADA trade anymore.
I like the ADA trade.
Zip sends a $10 super chat just simply to say, I love you guys.
I love you, baby. All right, I need you, baby. All through the lonely nights, I need you, baby. Sorry.
All right, we love you too. And Laura, how is a nuke associated with love, huh? She's like, it's a love bomb. It's a love bomb. Well, can you add a little like heart sploder on top of it or something like that?
Heart sploder.
A sploder. Yeah, you know what a sploder is?
Yeah, we know what a sploder is, man.
We need some hearts, man. Come on, find some more like lovey-dovey stuff.
Yeah, Laura, lovey-dovey, man.
We want gay emojis, okay? We want gay emojis in the chat. Yes. The gayer the better, Laura. Thank you.
Some say the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Some say the darker the flesh, the deeper the root.
Hey.
Call me Tupac. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so I think we got into the ADA. We're in the ADA short with JP. Let's go.
Let's go.
That daily looks bearish, bro. Like, I'm sorry. I know you're down yourself here, but damn, we are getting a push up on Bitcoin. What?
No, I'm with you. I'm glad you see what I saw, man.
Yeah, do you see what I see?
Absolutely.
I'm going to put it on breakout.
Did we get clapped on BTC already?
Why, you in the long?
No, we're still up.
Are you in the long?
No, in the short. No.
Oh.
The short.
You followed me?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
I followed you, yeah.
Right, cool.
Now, somebody said BTC got clapped. That's why I'm like, wait, did we? No. No, we didn't get clapped. BTC did not get clapped. It's looking good.
All right, I put the trade on breakout as well. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Gracias, amigos.
Let's go. Clapaholics.
Also, aware that this could be a little bit of a cup and handle, but that day looks bearish, man. Tweezer tops. Send it to hell. Send it to Valhalla.
Send it to hell in a handbasket. All right, I'm looking for some opportunity in the alt since we already got a BTC trade going.
All right, go ahead, bro. All right. Show me the opportunity, man.
Yes, I volunteer myself to find the opportunity.
Opportunize me, bro.
All right.
Why is that funny? I'm ready. Ready for the opportunity.
Man. All right, opportunity coming your way, Dave.
Appreciate you, bro.
Somebody said, Dave, good job shorting BTC. Super.
Well, we don't want to count our eggs too early, my friend.
Dirty.
But looks pretty good.
Dirty Dave strikes again.
Dirtiest of the dirt, bro.
I don't know, man. Ever since you got your nickname, man, I don't know, man. You're growing in popularity, man. People love it, man.
About damn time, man. Doing this for 5 fucking years.
Who's the guy in the glasses?
All it took was throwing a dirty on my name for me to become popular on my own channel. It's crazy, right? I'll be honest, bro. I could give a shit less if people know who I am, as long as they're getting value out of the content. I don't like the word influencer. I don't enjoy, like, I'd just rather be low key.
Yeah.
Have a community that I stream to, I'm engaged with, I'm connected with. I don't give a shit about anything else. So if I can make enough money to live a nice lifestyle and give people value, and make that money from these companies that have a shitload of money instead of siphoning money away from the community, that is the ideal scenario for me. So.
Okay. All right. I'm just scanning the 30-minute as I usually do from time to time.
Scan me.
And I'm seeing what's oversold, what's overbought, where's the opportunity in the market. And guys, feel free to fill the chat with coins you like us to look at. And I got to look at the macro stuff. I got to look at the NASDAQ, man. Did we really do a NASDAQ analysis? And we need to talk about the Clarity Act, my friend, not in detail, but just as far as speculation. People saying that it may pass one chamber of Congress today. Maybe, I don't know if it's the House or the Senate.
I didn't even know they were voting on it.
Yeah, they said it might pass one of the houses today. One of the chambers.
Okay.
The chamber could be either or, right? So
Harry Potter, Chamber of Secrets.
Yeah, the Senate or the House. So if you guys don't know, I mean, when you pass laws in America, it has to go through both houses. Both chambers, right? Usually starting in the House, and then it goes to the Senate, and then to the president's desk. But sometimes it starts in the Senate and then goes to the House. You know, it can go either way. But at the end of the day, the president does need to sign it. It's not going to pass today, but it may go through one of the chambers today, which is, I guess, good news, good speculative news.
Is it, bro? Is it? How many times have we seen this fucking story?
We know what's going to happen. It pumps now while it's about to pass. Buy the rumor, sell the news. If you ask me, when that thing passes, when the president signs it into the law, it's going to dump. BTC's going to dump if I had to put a bet on it.
Why? You think people are going to rotate into altcoins?
No, I just think.
Well, because it's beneficial for altcoins.
Yeah. Not
necessarily for Bitcoin. You can argue that it's beneficial to the industry, hence Bitcoin is part of the industry. But I agree. I kind of agree. Anytime there's a massive consensus, it's going to be so bullish for crypto, it dumps.
Yeah.
Or, oh my God, this Mt. Gox got hacked. They're unlocking the 600 Bitcoin or 6,000 Bitcoin, and it pumps.
Here's the thing. It pumps before it dumps, though. This may be the pump, the speculation. Before
what
it passes.
We're seeing now.
Yeah, right now.
Interesting.
Okay,
that's interesting.
And people said it might pass on Friday, like actually be in law Friday, potentially. Friday dump, weekend massacre.
Weekend massacre.
Massacre.
Massacre me, clap daddy. Sorry.
Kilgannon says they're not voting on the clarity today. Well, somebody said that in the chat. If I'm wrong from somebody in the chat saying it, I apologize. But that's the chatter I'm seeing. Bong, bong, bong. Well, thank you there, Laura. Gong.
I was like, did we close a candle? Or
all right. Wouldn't that be cool if it just did it automatically every hour? Set that up, Laura.
Look at Bitcoin in the 1 minute. Is it going to bounce off the 200, JP? Should we close our trade out for 25% profit? What do you say? We're approaching the 200 MA on the 1 minute time frame. We've gotten a bounce every single time we've gotten up here or down here.
Yeah. I like it, man. Take some profit.
All right, I'm gonna close out my trade. I'll take my win.
Yeah, me too. Trade close, man.
Let's go.
I'm out.
Close.
I'm out.
And Bitcoin's starting to pump now. Let's go. All right.
Good job, man. Oh, drop us some money, Laura. Drop us some money. Come on, this ain't no clapping. This ain't no clapping. Nice. I closed out for 24% here, 24.68% ROI. Thanks to Dave's call on the short. Let's go. How you looking over there, Dave? Bring it up.
I got a little better than you, bro. 28.9%.
Hey, let's go.
All right, my friend. There's $80 in the bag. Now let's see how the TradFi trades. SanDisk up 8%. Oracle down 5%. Let's take a look at the Oracle chart.
I love it, man. Awesome scalp. Awesome scalp.
On Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I saw it approaching that 200 MA, or that 200 MA on the 1 minute, it was the perfect bounce. I was like, you know what? What if we just move our stop into profit? But then
Is that your way of getting our attention there? I love it. She bringing up a super chat here. Real quick. It says, hey, JP Zen Daddy. I was wondering what were your settings on your EMAs and SMAs. Thanks. All right, I'll pull that up in a second. If you want to finish what you're doing it, Dave, I'll pull up my...
I was just going to say, analyzing the trade, post-trade, okay? Let's throw on this. And, okay. So we sold Bitcoin here after the 9MA rejection. We were in the red for a little bit. We never took that high. We saw the bear div on the 10 minute. This is the 1 minute. But we saw the bear div on the 10 minute, right? That was our entry. And look at that. Look at that entry, bro. We got in at the very top of the 10 minute candle there. Entry, sold the very bottom unless it wants to continue. So we had confluence 10-day 21 MA, 1 minute 200 MA. And now price is continuing up as we saw it approach the 21. Last time we came out the 21, man, we had a massive rally. We rotated immediately to the top of the range, which was a 0.6% rally. Now, can this thing still dump? Absolutely, it can still dump. But I'll take 28%, man. And as the account scales, 28% won't be $77. 28% will be $150. It'll be $300. It'll be $600. It'll be $1,000. Look at someone like CryptoFace, okay? 28% for him is probably tens of thousands of dollars. And so it's not about the amount of money, dollar nominal value-wise. It's about your ROI. That's why you'll see JP is like, I'm risking very little. I'm risking $6 for $30. That's a 5-to-1 trade. And so it's all relative. You can't figure out, the one language that's universal in making money is your return on investment, your ROI, your APR, your APY, whatever you want to call it, right?
Absolutely.
That's the one universal language in making money. It's what's your ROI? Doesn't matter if you have $1 million or $1. If your ROI is better, you can scale it, right? You can always make more money, add to your positions, and scale if your ROI is good.
That's true, because I could say I made $500 today.
Cool, but my ROI was 2%.
Exactly.
Good job. You risked, what's the math on that? 500 times 50. You risked 25 grand to make $500. Good job.
Good job. Yeah, it doesn't sound that great. Yeah.
Versus I risked, 2 grand to make 500.
Mm.
What sounds better? What's less risky? So, yeah.
All right. So there was a super chat asking about my settings on my EMAs and SMAs. And I don't use any EMAs, but I do use the SMAs. And if people don't know the difference, the SMAs are the simple moving averages, right? Simply the average price of Bitcoin on whatever time frame you put it on. Like the 21 is 21 day moving average, not day, but sorry, period. Depending on what time frame you're on. If I'm on the 5 minute, it's the last 21 candles on a 5 minute. The exponential moving average, the EMAs, is similar, but it does weight the more recent price action, right? The more recent candles, it puts more weight on. So I use the SMAs, and I use this 5MA. Right here is the name of the indicator, 5MA by, I think it's Inlander. Let me see here. 5MA, if you want to add it to your chart. This is an awesome indicator because it saves you space. It saves you real estate with the indicators, because if you don't have a premium trading view, you're very limited on the amount of indicators you have. But also you should get a premium trading view. We have a $15 coupon if you want in the description of the video. Yeah,
I'm sorry, but if you're trying to be a serious trader, you gotta spend a little money to make a little money.
I agree.
And it's not a shield to trading view, but you kind of gotta have the premium, right? You can get stuck with 3 indicators on your chart, not be able to have the most up-to-date time frames and yada yada. So spend the money. They always have like 80 to 90% discounts as well. Look out for those. It's usually around big holidays, President's Day, Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Labor Day. They'll probably have one, which Labor Day is coming up in about a month. So yeah, look at that second tap on the 200 on Bitcoin on the 1 minute. Is there any bull div there? There is.
Should we scalp long here?
I don't know. We're at the bottom of the range.
Hey,
that's a big move down.
200 bounce.
What is the gold pocket bounce too, my friend?
All right. Say no more.
but I don't know. What do you think?
I could see it, but it does feel. I feel like I haven't done enough of analysis here, but it does look like it could bounce here, man. I mean, it was a good TP, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
So it could be. I just gotta zoom out more, man. I feel like I'm just kind of all over the place in the market.
Okay.
I need to look at BTC more, but just looking at it, I mean, it does look like a likely place to get another bounce here. Very likely. That's why we took profit.
Starting to right now.
Yeah, we took profit, man. Any bull div right there?
There is. There is. That's what I'm saying.
Well, let's get in.
On the 1 minute. I don't trade the 1 minute, so I'm not going to trade it.
All right. How about
but I will get
minute?
in if you get in.
Yeah. 5 minute loss to 21. I'm good. You got to get back above that 21 for me, or give me a better discount.
I mean, look at those. Okay, we talk about tweezer tops.
Tweezer bottoms.
Aren't those
yeah.
tweezer? Yeah.
It is, but still under the resistance right there, the 21.
Scared, bro.
I'm scared. Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared too.
All right. I'm leaving it alone.
I'll be back. I got to go.
Okay. Are we getting close to that yet? No, not yet. Okay. Cool. Let me break down the SMAs here. Somebody was asking me. So I just arranged it. It's the same thing. It's the same thing, but I put it in order to make it make sense. For like an OCD style, just simplicity. So I use 4. There's spaces for 5 here with this MA from Inlander. And my first MA is the 9. I use the 21. I use the 50. And then I use the 200. I put the 500 here, but I don't actually use that. And you'll see here when I go to style. So inputs, those are the time periods, 9, 21, 50, and 200. When you go to style, you can change the colors of them here. You see I'm using just 4 out of 5. The 9 is orange. The 21 is white. The 50 is red. And the 200 is yellow. All right, that's what I use. That's my color coding. And that's the 4 moving averages that I do use here. And I keep it on the chart. And here we go. Hope that helps you. The 5MA by Inlander. Let's go. All right, let's see what's going on with price action, folks. What's going on with price action for BTC? 5 minute, we do have an uptrend. It's an uptrend. It's an uptrend right there. We're pretty close to support right now, and we did take profit on the short. But 5 minute and an uptrend there. Let's take a look at some higher time frames. 15-minute time frame. Kind of just making its way on up, right? Making its way on up. That's interesting. That looked like a diamond pattern, didn't it? It was chunky. It looked diamond pattern like. That usually dumps. It didn't dump. It went higher. Can it get higher? It can always get higher. 30-minute reaching for the stars. High Stokes and high RSI though, right? No bear div there. No bear div on a 30-minute. Any bear div? Maybe class B. A little bit of class B bear div there on the 1 hour. The slightest class B. How about 2 hour? We got tweezer tops here. Tweezer tops on the 2 hour. Okay, starting to look like some bear div here as well. A little bit, the littlest bit on the stochastics. I'm just scanning for bear div and looking at price action. I gotta say, we're not confidently above that 4 hour, 5 hour resistance area though. We were talking about this area yesterday, and most people thought that we would conquer this today, and maybe we will. Maybe 70K today. I don't know about it, but we'll see. We got a super chat coming in. Was there another super chat here? Yes, a Scottish crypto says, love to Laura. Okay. All right. Love going your way, Laura. There you go. We got any hearts? We got any hearts we can drop? There we go. I like the hearts. We love it. Yes. More gay emojis. Yes. Thank you so much, Laura. All right. Let's see. Tony Rosas. What's going on? French toast. Good to see you, Frenchie. Says Tony working, lurking, and twerking. Okay. Almisha says, I agree 100%. I need to meditate. You need to meditate? Do you need a Zen? I'll make a Zen in here for you. 1 second. It says, yo, JP, you still in the ETH trade from yesterday limit? That's so funny you mentioned that. Yeah, we got tapped into that, man. Me and Dave got tapped into that ETH trade. I think we're in it and slightly down at the moment. Yeah, in it and slightly down on Ethereum. Take a look at it. ETH. Hey guys, can we get like maybe a light purge? Nothing too crazy. Don't piss the mods off too much. But if you want some coins, you can lightly spam. Just a light spam. A tender spam. A very gentle spam. Right? A polite spam. Okay, a respectable spam. In the chat, if you will. All right, Bitcoin. Sorry, Ethereum got a big move up. We did get tapped into the short. I like the position though. I do like it. I mean, are we making bullish consolidation? Technically, yes. You know, it could be a bull pennant right there. Maybe breaks higher. But from what I was seeing on Ethereum, especially on the daily, I had that Dirty Dave, consistent higher highs, consistent lower highs on the momentum. And now, just past the 21. Let's see if this gets rejected back down. I'll be much more comfortable with the trade if we get back below the 21. So we'll see. We do have a green dot low Stokes, man. There's some bullish signs here. Some bullish signs for Ethereum and a lot of other coins. All right. All right, Laura, let's make it Zen. Let's make it Zen. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Let's make it Zen, baby. Make it Zen in this club, in this Zen center, this Zen trading zone, this Zen City crypto. It's a city of sin, but we got to remain Zen. How do we do it? It's a lot of Zenin and sinning. No, but seriously, man, I got to make sure I reset my narrative, man. Every single day I ask for a new lease on a narrative based on the charts, amen? Okay, and the charts have me bullish on the higher time frames. The weekly looks bullish to me. We're maintaining support. The daily is bullish to me. We're pushing, okay? It's pushing. The 4-hour is questionable. The 5-hour is questionable, okay? It's bullish, but it's at resistance. I hate to bet on continuation at resistance. Give me a clap, Laura. I hate to bet on continuation at resistance. I like to short the resistance, the forbidden land of the wicked. All right, make it Zen, man. Make it Zen. Chill. Make it Zen. So bullish on the high time frames. The medium time frames are questionable. It's at resistance. The small time frames are just straight bullish. So maybe because the small time frames are bullish and the high time frames are bullish, maybe the middle time frames, the meso time frames will get the push, right? 2 out of 3, baby, 2 out of 3. Everything happens first on the small time frames. Everything happens first on the small time frames, my friends. And we're pushing right now. We're pushing. Let's zoom in. And let's do a light. Are we doing a light span? We're doing a light span. I'm gonna get somebody locked up, man. Somebody about to get somebody about to get put in timeout. I'm sorry. I set you up. All right. It says super home. Okay. Can we stop the spamming now? Let's stop the spamming, especially you, Mo, too. But I'll maybe look at Ake for you. I'm not looking at home, but I'll look at Ake. Okay. No purge. Lock them up. All right. Let's go ahead and look at Ake. I'll look at Ake. Okay. I got you real quick. Ake. This is like one of those Dexy corns, ain't it? Okay. Here we go. Daily time frame coming down. And the daily, it was a big move up, but now in a retracement mode. Here's a 4-hour. Mode 2, you're going in timeout, man. You're going in timeout. Time them out. All right. Yeah, 4-hour time frame. Chess, what's going on? I got you. All right, starting to roll over here. Starting to roll over in the 4-hour. Ake. Looks like a dead cat bounce on the RSI. Rolling over, red dot, momentum shift to the downside. Starting to get bearish there. Here's a 30-minute coming down below the 21. Very extended. At a certain point, this may bounce pretty nice. Is nearing support. You're at support. You are at support. But how strong is support? We'll see. 5-minute almost coming straight down, man. That's a stiff trend. It's a stiffy. You know how I feel about it. You know how I feel about the stiffies. But you do have to have a bull div there. Not enough bull div, in my opinion. But I would say just overall, man. Let me just pull this on the weekly here. Damn. That was a big move up from that bottom. Careful, man. Careful. I think this comes down. If I had to call it, I would say this come down. Even if it came down to go higher, I would say this comes down, man. So I would be looking for short positions here. Maybe shorting resistance once it gets a pop, et cetera. But yeah, Ake looking, it was a nice big move, but I think looking bearish, potentially bearish overall for me right now. All right. Let's get back to Bitcoin. 5-minute. What time frame were we looking at where we were close to a bounce? It was the 1 minute. Yeah, me and Dave don't really trade the 1 minute though. But so far a bounce with some bull div at the 200 MA on a 1 minute time frame. It could be what you need to get the extended bounce. Who longed this? Who alonged this today? Talk to me. Mo2, you're good, man. You're good. No, you're good. You didn't do anything wrong, my friend. I did say purge, but a light purge, okay? I said light and you went medium. Okay. Yeah, I said mild and you went extra spicy, okay? That's all. But you're good. You're good. You are good, my friend. If you get locked up, I'll pay your bail, all right? I'll pay your bail and get you out of Clapatras. We do appreciate you and love you. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see what we got. Nate says BTC getting the bull cross in a 4 hour. Uh-oh. The 50 and the 21. Okay, last time we got that was 3.7. Okay. A 4 hour pull it up. BTC. What we got going on here? All right, let's see. Let's check this out. It is interesting. The 4 hour is interesting. And we did have many bullish crosses. I don't have those same EMAs or SMAs that you have. You have the 50-21. Wait, actually I do. I do have the 50-21, but not the EMA. I have the SMA. Let me see. My 21 is this white line, and there's the 50 right there. Okay, I see what you're saying right there. The 21 is about to cross the 50. Maybe your EMA already crossed. My white line did not cross the red line just yet, but it looks imminent. It looks imminent with the green dot there and some volume behind the move. BTC looking bullish, but I gotta say a lot of potential bearishness here. Yeah, that's the 4 hour. Yeah, somebody was pointing out the fact that the 21 is about to cross the 50 bullishly here, and it is. And we already had the 9 cross the 200 bullishly. And the green dot here in the 4 hour is trying to push, but it just feels like the forbidden land of the wicked.
Wicked or Wiccan?
I like that. I like wicked. I'm going with wicked. What you got?
Gold. I'm just I was in the restroom and I was trying to find something, and then I came across this gold on the 4 hour. Oh shit.
Ripping.
This is a screenshot from an hour ago, so I'm assuming it changed. There was one about Oracle that I wanted to show. I think it was from Unusual Whales. I gotta find this, bro, because it was very, very interesting. Of course, when I want to find it, I won't be able to find it. Anyways, I'm gonna look for that. Looks like Bitcoin is getting that. Did get that bounce off the 21. Did you end up getting into a long, or you waiting on the 5 minute 21? There's your. I
did not get into long. No.
There's your 5 minute 21.
Okay, let me see here.
Is there bull div? No, there's no bull div. But could this be bearish consolidation? A mini bear flag? I mean, I don't know.
Five minute.
Have you looked at the casino?
Low Stokes green dot. Not in a while.
You want me to pull it up?
Yeah, that could pop.
Looks like he wants to head back into that supply zone again.
Yeah, pull to the downside, but I think it's starting to curve, man. It's starting to curve. May give us a pull to the upside. Demand at 22, positive, right? 22.
22 down from 61 though.
Yeah.
Still.
And just 15 trades per minute, low volume a little bit. But small time frames are very bullish, obviously, here.
Yeah. Oh, Bitcoin getting a big push up here. Nice. Damn. That would have been a legendary long, bro.
Yeah, here's the liquidity heat map here.
What a great... Okay, real quick, can we just give ourselves some credit here?
Yeah.
What a fucking entry, what an exit on a quick, long, short scalp.
Perfect amount of not being greedy, right? And not being hesitant.
Yeah. And now it's just ripping faces. Look at this. Annihilation.
Destruction.
Hesitation.
Oh
my God.
I know.
Anyways, sorry. I know I came in here and kind of interrupted you. I apologize.
You are good, my friend. Here's the liquidity heat map if you guys are interested. There's a very interesting level, a point of interest. 65,900 here. Highly concentrated area to the upside. If this thing wants to make a move, let me zoom out. Look at 6.7. And what else do we have? What's the next hot zone? We got 70K. 70K today, my friends.
Damn, Bitcoin's. I'm sorry, bro, but I'm like
70K today.
Corner of my eye, watching just the number go up on BitUnix. You can't see it because the URL is covered. But damn, this is a 5-minute candle.
GG's, man.
I mean, is this a mega engulfer here? Can we close above 64,720? Wow, this is what I wanted to show you. Look at this. Oracle risk of default has soared to its highest level in history, surpassing the peak of the global financial crisis.
Oh. What's wrong with them, man? They got too much debt? What's going on?
I don't know. I got to look at their financials.
Right,
Which on. I can't do it right now.
Come on, macro man. No,
it's
that's what you do.
You can't. I mean, you can't glaze over. You gotta like actually look into it.
It's not that easy. It's not just an indicator.
What we can look at is what some ratings and stuff it's gotten. Hold, outperform, neutral to buy, outperform. The only downgrade it got was from Cleveland Research back in April 10th. Oracle stock tumbles as debt risk just hit a record high. This is from today at 8:30 in the morning from Guru Focus. Damn. Okay. And then, yeah, you can look at the financials here, but I would have to just really dig into it. It's beat its earnings, looks like every single time since Q2 of 25. Surprise to the upside, 37%. Surprise to the upside, 5%. Surprise to the upside, 7%. But it's at risk of default? Wild. Wild stuff, bro.
We are liquidating the bears. The battle for Bitcoin. We haven't looked at it today. The Bitcoin battlefield. Here we go. We got the bulls in control, but they're taking heavy losses as well. The bulls in control, pushing the bears back. The bears have so many more tanks, but the bulls seem to have like almost like an unlimited supply of reinforcements here, as the bears push back and send retaliatory artillery strikes. Yeah, we got a battle for Bitcoin, my friends. Bulls in control. Here we go. All right, we'll keep eyes on it. We'll keep eyes on it. This is the Bitcoin battlefield. All right. Here we go. And pushing to the upside for Bitcoin, man. What a bullish day for BTC.
Super Buddy said, Dave, short Bitcoin. I don't know.
Well, we did, man.
I don't know if it's the right time right now, my friend.
Yeah, definitely not the right time.
Yeah, I mean.
Maybe something else, man. We got to look to the altcoins. Either there's a long opportunity or a short opportunity. I guarantee it right now on one of these altcoins. There's an awesome opportunity. If Bitcoin is going to fly, maybe there's a quick long, an awesome quick scalp for something that didn't pump yet. Okay. If Bitcoin is going to dump, maybe there's an awesome short somewhere and something that already ran up so much. Those are my favorite plays. Let's see here. I do want to pull up the NQ really quickly, though. NQ's coming down. NASDAQ coming down, Bitcoin coming up. Interesting. Is it one of those days?
Oh my God, the circle trades in profit. Oh,
no way.
What is going on? Barely, but it's in profit.
Macro, man.
Look at this.
Look at the volatility, man.
Oh my God.
Pump it to dump it to equilibrium.
Yeah, let's close it out.
Equilibrium. Ah, yes, we're still in the circle trade. Somebody was asking about that earlier. It says, what, are we staying in the circle trade?
Yeah,
I'm staying in it, man.
I'm staying in.
I'm staying in it. I ain't scared.
I'm a little scared, but I'm still going to stay in it.
It said check ETH, man. Our cheeks may not be safe with ETH, though.
It's not. It's not. ETH looks very bullish.
Damn.
Yeah, ETH...
Do we need to mitigate or do we take our clapping?
I can't believe we forgot about that shit. I mean, look at the bear div on the daily.
The perfect macro
look at the bear div on the daily, though, man.
Oh, man.
What if we...
Crouching bear, hidden bull, man.
Yeah, look at that, man. I mean, RSI is pretty high, though. What if we move our stop down here? We just said, fuck, if we...
Just reduce the risk a little bit.
Yeah, because my risk right now was like $400.
Yeah, mine was pretty high too, man.
What if we do something like this? 150.
How much am I down?
Tolerable.
Am I down $5? No, I'm about to say I'm closing this to hell now.
I'm down $60.
Down like $95 here on ETH.
What if we do that? 1940. Go to the 1 hour time frame, right? Where we're above this consolidation area where we have those wicks.
I like that 1940. I like it, man.
Yeah, and for me, it's a $150 L. For you, it should be like close to 200.
Yeah, 200 something here. Yeah, it's a clapping, but we'll be all right, man.
Yeah.
What happened to Near? You see, I got stopped out of Near. Are you kidding me? I had the anti-clapper on breakout for Near. I got stopped out of Near. In profit, but barely. Damn, come on. I got to pull up Near. Near was still looking good on the daily, man. Now it's starting to break. Or is it breaking out? Let's see. No. Okay. I could probably get back in here. What do we think about Near? Is it still doable? The daily, you know, I was like in the low down here as a stop loss. I was in profit, had my anti-clapper around here. I got stopped out, I guess, when we checked that 9. Yeah, I got stopped out in profit when we hit the 9 right there. So, I mean, do we still like this move? Let's zoom in real quick. How about the 4 hour? 4 hour kind of reset right there. But is that just a bear flag that's going to go lower? Checking that 21. Is
that a bearish cross?
4 hour. Bearish cross where, you mean way up there? I mean, that was a while ago. 21? Right crossing there.
Is that that's the 9 crossing below the 21?
So that's actually a bullish cross. That's a 9.
But is that the 9 crossing below the 21?
That's the 9 crossing. Well, yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. I see. It is. Yeah, it is. It literally just happened. Yeah, bearish cross and its resistance as we're slightly below it. So I don't know. Maybe it was a good stop out, but I don't know, man. I want that exposure to Near. But be patient, Monk, man. Be patient.
Be paciente.
Paciente. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin first. Let's see what happens. All right, cool. I'm gonna go through some altcoins. Actually, hold on. Before I do, I was looking at the NASDAQ. Said that thing was coming down. Coming down right now. We said gold was exploding to the upside. Gold has been going up for a minute here. Since like yesterday, it's been exploding, right? It's been exploding. Is any weakness in gold? Is gold a solid trend to the upside? And also, I want to pull up oil really quickly. Just look at all these assets. I've been doing pretty good with oil. Bear div. Not really right here. Nope. That's a stiff uptrend, man. That's a big breakout for gold. That's a big move for gold.
Is there any news? What happened?
I don't know, but 8 hour nearing resistance at 200 MA. I'm not getting any bright ideas here. Not getting any bright ideas. And I'll tell you this, I've been looking at this descending triangle for a while for gold. Right there. And it's starting to invalidate that idea. Starting to invalidate, but high Stokes. It can always reject still and still dump. So let's be open-minded. And finally, let's look at oil. What is oil doing? Oil's dumping still. Dumping. Okay. Oil dumping, gold skyrocketing. You got the NASDAQ coming down and Bitcoin pumping. Some bearish consolidation here for oil. Oil looks like it goes lower, man. It could be a scalp opportunity. Look at that. Right there from the 9MA. You see, it looks like it's about to death drop right now. Look at that thing. I mean, yes, it's at the very minimum support, whatever you want to call that. But let me zoom out. That thing looks like it's about to dump so hard. Any Class B bull div? Nope. No. Well, a little bit on RSI, right? The slightest bit. Just looking at it. I mean, I don't love that consolidation, but it does look like it goes lower. If you ask me, it looks like it just drops down to about 71.22. And then maybe lower. Maybe to 68.52. Look at that big old, like, just head and shoulder structure.
That's pretty big.
Yeah. All right, let me back to Bitcoin and back to the traditional assets. I mean, altcoins. Traditional altcoins. Those traditional altcoins. All right, how are we looking on Zcash? Zcash coming up on a 5-minute. How about that 2-hour? Ooh, short on Zcash. That looks like a short to me.
That looks pretty clappy.
Look, tweezer tops, triple tweezer tops. You got bear div. Hell, maybe even a dirty Dave. I don't know. It's close. Bear div, far from the 21. I like this. I like this on a 2-hour. Let me just see if the small time frames agree. Okay. Bullish consolidation there. What about the 1 minute? We're about to lose the 1 minute 200. It's close. It's close. It's close. All right. How about the daily for Zcash? I like my daily, my meso. Hey, my macro, my meso, my micro to all kind of align here. The daily coming up and above the 21. That's bullish on the daily right there. That's bullish on the daily for now. This 4-hour is bullish, but look like retracement mode, man. 4-hour red dot. I short that. I short that, baby. All right, man. I'm taking a chance here. I don't care, man. Trade alert. Let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go.
Attention. Trade inbound. Attention.
Seriously, man. I kind of hate picking up the money, man. I really do. But
high probability cool. Setup found.
Actually,
time to blindly follow
make that
JP.
Look cool, Laura? Send any way to make this look cool. There we go.
Can you turn water into wine, Laura? Yeah. Can you put $1 million in my bank account, Laura?
Make it look cool, Laura. Just there you go. She's like, okay, I'm helping. There you go.
A for effort.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna put a stop loss above the wicks and see if I could get myself a little trade off of Zcash, a small short here, man. You know, I like the fact that we put higher highs here and didn't put in higher highs in the momentum. I like the red dot on the 2-hour. You also have it on the 4-hour, red dot there as well. Way far from the 21. You got a big pump. It's extended to the upside. I'm taking a chance. Call it a 4-hour short.
Take that chance, bro.
Call it a 4-hour short, baby. Let's go. All right, let's sketch the trade and give the numbers. Give the numbers on the Zcash. Zcash. Can I just take it to the 21? Can I get a 1 to 3 real quick? I like that, man. Not going too far. Hell, can I just take it to the 200 on the 4-hour? Tighten up the stop loss. 1 to 3. Look at that. Very realistic trade right there. Very realistic. Tight stop. Sniper entry. 1 to 3. Risk reward. Take the trade. If you want the numbers right now, enter now about around 520. Stop loss at 527.27. And then the TP right around 498.94. 1 to 3, baby. Let's go. Zcash. That's the trade, my friends. That is the trade.
I'm following you.
All right, let's see. Where is... Oh, yeah, they don't have it on freaking BitUnix.
Oh, it's on breakout.
Haha. It's on breakout and it's on BTCC. Let's go. All right, I'm going to put it on BTCC.
Wait, it's on BTCC too?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it is actually.
Let's go.
All right, can I... Okay, here we go. Come on, Monk, man. Navigate the damn exchange. Yeah, so you see how useful BTCC is. For whatever reason, they don't have Zcash on BitUnix. But they do on BTCC. I love both exchanges. We do have a 20% deposit bonus promotion going with BTCC. I will give you the link in the description. Well, it is in the description. We should also put it in the chat with the Nightbot, please. 20% deposit bonus and get eligible for a $100 coupon and 10% off your trading fees for at least the first 30 days. Join BTCC today if you need a place to trade. All right, I'm putting in the trade right now. I already gave you the numbers.
494 was a TP.
I gave you the numbers. It was around a 200 MA on the 4-hour, 498. Yeah, basically just around 5, right under 5, somewhere around there. We should be close to a 1 to 3. Put it above the wicks on the 4-hour. Should be close to a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Let's see here what we got going on. Okay, just about, not bad. Feel free to adjust your TP and stop loss to fit your trading style. All right. I'm happy with this. Open short. Zcash. All right, I'm short, baby. I'm short. Once again, stop loss somewhere around 526, somewhere around there. Entries around now, and then TP somewhere around 498 or 500. Basically, once price touched the 21 in the 4 hour, it should be a good TP zone. All right, let's see what we can do on it. See what we can do. Bitcoin still getting a push up. Still getting a push up, my friends. All right, Siokin says I took the Zcash short. Let's go.
And one thing I noticed, when you have a limit order set and you want to slide it into profit, slide it into like a market order, your pre-planned TP and stop loss go away. You have to drag new ones.
You figured it out, Dave.
Yeah.
Well, that's one of the things.
And I spoke with our rep from BTCC. They're saying there's a big overhaul coming on their UI.
Let's go. They should use us to launch it, man. Okay.
They probably will.
Let's go. Put our picture on the freaking on the website.
Oh.
Right. Put our picture on the website. Can we talk about that yet? Or no, not yet.
Not yet.
Let's go.
But we will soon.
I love it.
All right, let's look at the bubbles. We haven't looked at the bubbles. UB up 14% on the hour. Oh, this is the one I looked at. No, was this one? No, I looked at AB yesterday. I looked at one of the Bs yesterday. And that thing was a weird-ass chart. I didn't even do any TA on it. But anyways, UB is up 14%. ETH up 1.3% on the hour. Hash up 1.8%. Everything else kind of flat. Pump down 1.3%. And everything else is fairly green on the hourly. Venice down on the daily. Canton Network down on the daily. Pump.fun, although down on the hour, up on the daily at around 8.9%. Aerodrome up. Zcash up. Hyperliquid up. A lot of green in the altcoins on the daily time frame. Take a look at the RSI heat map here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Look at oil, just the red-headed stepchild here. The only project that's on this map on the 4-hour that's tailing down to oversold territory, which makes a lot of sense, right?
Yep. Oil
falls, risk on assets rise. What is overextended? CYS, not sure what that is. Overextended HEI. What the hey?
Hey.
Look at that massive tail up. 4-hour RSI at 83. NVIDIA, Pax Gold. This is, I think, Tether Gold. XAUT. Right? Is this Tether Gold?
What is it?
XAUT.
Must be. I don't know. XAU is gold. Okay.
T should be Tether. Anyways, Hyperliquid Zcash, a lot in the green. And then we go to the 1-hour time frame. Lab tailing down, but we don't look at it. SpaceX tailing down into weak to oversold territory. Uniswap, small tail up. ETH, small tail up, already in overbought territory. And Aptos, Bless, and BTW also tailing up into overbought territory.
I'm hearing action on your casino.
I don't hear a sound. That's why I...
Oh, yeah, because I got the headphones on. I hear everything.
How come we're not getting in the speaker?
I hear everything. Oh, I have to turn it up. Let me see.
Yeah.
And I also do have it very low.
They have a big pull to the upside. Big pull to the upside. Well, I don't know about a big pull.
Can you hear it lightly now? Can you hear the light bell?
Not really, no.
Not really? Okay. You sure you're not unking it?
Now I hear it very lightly. Extremely light. Like so light that what are we doing? You know? No, we always wondered, once it gets to the very top of that supply zone, well, what does it do? Right? You see the chart just move down?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So look at the numbers at the bottom and at the top. Is it just moved the numbers?
I mean, we're at the very tippy top of the supply zone here. Pull to the upside. Are we going to get another possible reversal here for Bitcoin? Look at those buy orders.
Lighten up, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Jackpot, baby.
That was pretty. Those are some massive buy orders, man.
Massive.
Huge. Yeah, Bitcoin, top of the range.
Top of the Rizzy range. We're going to be looking for weakness. Yes, we will.
Yes, we sure
Yes,
will.
we will.
Well, we're not going to get bear div because we're already surpassed. We could get some hidden bear. Not really. No. This is. We've cleared the momentum, my friends. Now we're looking at these two highs. This one's not in yet. About a minute left to close. But nonetheless, RSI has surpassed the previous high here. I mean, could technically roll over, but yeah, even if it doesn't. Zcash trades in the profit. The ETH trade's the only one that's not doing us dirty right now.
Doing us dirty.
The dirty ETH.
What?
That was an unk groan sound for sure.
You only can make sounds like that when you get to the unk stage, man.
That's it, bro. There's a lot of volatility in Circle, man. I look down, we're even. I look down, we're up $10. I look down, we're down $25. What are we doing?
I don't know, man. But imagine having 25% of your net worth in that thing, man.
Damn. That's wild.
Something like that. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
That is crazy.
I'm guessing Ethereum. God damn. Clap into the upside.
Crushing?
Clap into the upside. It's a colossal move.
It's a colossal clapping.
Man of epic proportions. Yeah, it's a big move from ETH there. What's everything else doing, man?
I'd love to take some requests from the community as well.
I would love that as well, man.
CC authorization said Jito is exploding.
What a name.
Jito or CC authorization?
CC authorization.
I probably said it wrong, but let's look at JTO, USDT. I already had it.
Purge.
Okay, here's the one thing I don't know on TradingView. You know when you add a coin, it goes to the very bottom?
Yeah, you listen.
But I have folders. So how do I get it in a specific folder? Does anyone know how to do that? Do you know how to do that?
I think you right-click it and add to. You add to watch list, and then you see there's a list.
Add symbol?
No, add No. I mean, after you already added it. You mean there? Yeah.
Oh no, you can do that too. Okay, cool.
I mean, if it's already in your list, just right-click it and say move to another list. But don't click that little garbage can icon. You're about to hit the garbage. Yeah, right there. Now, right there you go. See, add to. So you could move it from one list to another or whatever, or have it on multiple lists like that. See what I'm saying?
Nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yes.
Well, there it is. It is taking off. Damn.
Jito.
Damn, look at that beautiful clear, the 200 MA on the 1 hour. What does the 4 hour look like? This looks very bullish. This is a inverse head and shoulders that's breaking out right meow.
That's beautiful, man.
Yo, look at that clap gap. Look at that clap gap. Oh my God, is it about to move through the clap gap? It is.
Yes.
Yo, let's long to the clap gap.
Full port. But I'm assuming it's chasing on a small time frame. That's all it is. Just not a great entry.
Can I add the VRVP here? VR.
I don't think so.
I can't.
You can? No way.
Volume profile, visible range.
Wow, it is there. It does exist.
I wanna. Where is it? Right here. Damn. Oh no, that's what it was. There we go. Okay, what if we sketch a trade out like this? What if we go limit last, stop below the volume POC? It's going to be a really shitty R&R, I can already tell. TP up here. Yeah. The R&R is pretty crap. Unless you go to the lower time frames and shit, maybe stick it right there. 50.81.
Scalp the hell out of it.
Yeah, because it should move through that clap gap like ASAP. It's a 2-to-1. A little bit better, but not good enough. What about the 30-minute time frame? Below the 21, 50 point. That's even worse. 15-minute? 15-minute 21? 5107. That might work. 5107. 50 for 130. $100 for 250. 5196, 5198. This might be a little better. This is so degenerate right now. This is so degenerate right now, but I can't get that clap gap out of my mind, bro.
Get the clap off your mind, man.
And there's another clap gap up here.
I'm about to long Bitcoin Cash on a degenerate move.
Bitcoin Cash?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you got?
I like what looks like a rounded bottom on an 8-hour with some bull div on the way down. Now it's starting to break up.
I'm doing it.
Look at the 12-hour, man. Everything is ready to go on a BCH.
You got to, can you swap over to yours?
Yeah, so sorry.
Lost Laura for a second.
Yeah. Laura just, yeah, she just texted me. Yeah, we're good. There we go. Okay, I'm interested about the full port Bitcoin Cash. Full port. Just double checking the small time frames. Hugging that 21, hugging that 21. I think this is going to take off.
Bitcoin Cash?
Right at the local support, I'm sorry, very local resistance. Sorry, not support. There we go. I love the rounded bottom.
I love it. It's round and great.
Look at the daily.
Yeah, whoever who said look at Jido, man. Good call there, bro. I'm gonna give you some credit here. Do you remember that person's name, JP?
Jido. I don't remember.
I'll find it.
Who was that? Say that was me.
Right there. CC Aruth. Thank you, CC Aruth.
Oh, yeah, CC authorization.
I ended up blindly taking the trade there because that thing is moving up the clap gap.
Yeah, I like Bitcoin Cash, but it just concerns me some of the moving averages above us that we may get rejected from. Yeah, but maybe there's room on a 4-hour. Maybe the 4-hour just runs to the 200 right there. Let's see, is there room here for a trade? So can we get away with a stop loss there to get to the 200? 1 to 3 right there. What if we did this? Very tight with the price action.
It's on the 4-hour.
Yeah, risk reward is a little bit questionable here. Close to a 1 to 3. Not terrible. I can see that happening right there. That's not too bad. That's a possible move. I feel like I'm forcing it. I'm good.
Well, bro, just do it, man.
I'm good. I'm sorry, man. I said the Zen Master scared. If you're scared, go to church, Zen Master. Oh, this is church. This is the crypto church, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
The church of former day trading saints. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
Day trading saints.
I have no idea.
Who considers this church?
It's a play on Latter-day Saints, but it's
I like it. Yeah.
Former day saints, not latter, the former. Okay. All right. So in a Jido long, what else am I? I only have 1 trade on breakout. I mean, on BitUnix. I have 4 on BTCC, and I have 3 on breakout. I think my total P&L is either flat or down right now. Total P&L on fucking this ETH is killing me, bro.
Yeah, it's killing us. We'll see, man. It's either the top now or this thing goes so much higher.
Softly with its price action, killing us softly. Just hurry up and just shove the knife in there, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, this thing, look at this 4-hour candle, bro.
Yeah. Crazy.
I'm going to take my L.
Oh.
Yeah. Clap me. Come on.
All right, clap him, Laura, then I'll clap you.
Those stupid ass limit orders. Why are you clapping me again?
Sorry, she clapped you first.
You're not supposed to clap me again.
I wanted a piece of the clapping.
clap yourself, bro. I guess you technically did clap yourself because
I'm in the trade too.
I know, but you didn't close it out, so technically you're not clapped yet.
I know.
Dude, Bitcoin, dude, is Bitcoin about to fall on the 10? Another failure to break that range. And now another rotation to the bottom of the range. 21 MA hugging that trend line there.
Now we have a rising wedge.
Yeah.
A rising channel.
It was on the 10 minute.
Yeah. I want to short. Oh, why am I feeling so shorty? I feel very shorty, man. What's the best altcoin to short?
What up, shorty?
What up, shorty? I'm feeling very shorty. They call me too short in these charts. Okay. You West Coast people love some too short, right? Y'all love too short?
I do like too short.
What else y'all love, man? People from the East Coast literally just think of West Coast as just Snoop Dogg, you know, freaking Dr.
Tupac.
Dre, NWA, like that. That's literally it. Like,
NWA
that's all y'all have.
NWA is the best, bro.
Who's the recent West Coast people, man? Y'all on that Shoreline Mafia? What are y'all on? What are y'all on?
Or on that 3-6 Mafia, that my kinfolk.
A 3-6 Mafia. That's that dirty though, man. That's that Memphis Tennessee. You know what I'm saying?
That is that Memphis Tennessee fool. All right. What else do we want to take a look at? Let's give some love to the community, man.
Yeah.
Let's give some love to the community.
Let's drop.
Shout out to my boy Brokioshi.
Yeah, thank you, Laura. Drop the love. Yes. Where's the love? And how about the background? Is it love in the background, maybe?
Yeah, she's gonna just put the Care Bears on.
Laura, not the Care Bears.
The Tear Bears.
The Tear Bears.
Tear you up, bro.
Not the Clap Bears, Laura. Okay.
Also, Brokioshi said he's gonna work on the clap wheel for us.
No way. Like a physical one, an actual one?
Yeah, like if you get a clap and you got to step up and no, it's a spin the wheel. Yeah,
spin the wheel, and it's just hands that go around in a circle. Like.
Yeah.
Sorry, and then didn't go the way I thought it would look.
It's gonna be glorious, glorious.
Al Jr., what's going on, man? XBR says I like Dirty South. Mike Jones, and Paul Wall. Rocco, let's go. Paul Wall, what a legend.
Looking for a Velvet short. God, why are we still trading Velvet?
Good question.
Fantic said took Bitcoin short at 64.7. Good shit. What a great call, because you are well, I mean, unless Bitcoin wants to rotate again, but that was pretty much the top there, the local top at least. But I mean, I look at this and say this is ultimately going to break down. If we look at it from a tighter lens here, this is a rising channel.
Damn, look, all those shorts at the top and longs at the bottom, man. Beautiful.
Yeah. A few of them are longs. But you know what? Let me turn that off. It makes the chart too busy.
A little bit distracting there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, what a wonky 1 hour triple bottom move up. Are we going to come up here and test these highs here? We're talking mid 65s. 65.5, triple top here at 65.5, wick up here at 65.5. Can we get another wick up at 65.5? I'd be interested in a short there potentially for a macro shortable area. What?
Macro man, sorry.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that costume, bro. I don't know why you're laughing. It's gonna happen.
In fact, let me do that. What does Unk Man look like? Right?
Yeah, Unk Man.
They had the black version of Macro Man for me yesterday.
He did.
But let's see what Unk Man looks like. You like the heart background, man?
So cool.
Yeah.
I'm in a trance. I'm in a love trance. Sounds not good.
Let me see. What if I wanted a custom Unk Man? And make sure you're watching time, man. You know we got things to do here, man.
Yeah.
What if?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. What if I wanted a custom Unk Man costume? Not like old man Unk, but like, you know, like seasoned Unk. Like seasoned Unk, you know, like you know, wise experience.
This dude, bro.
No wise experience, but getting slightly older.
Okay.
Punk.
I'll show you guys here. Let's go to my chart real quick. Let's take a peek here. Any bear div there? A little bit of Class B bear div. I am interested in a speculative short at the top of the range here. And so let's just go ahead and put in a limit order. And if it doesn't get filled by the time we're done with the show, then I'll cancel it. Please remind me to cancel it. Copy price. See if we can super scalp the sucker. We'll have our TP up at 65K even. 65,005. And let's bring that thing down to the super trend on the 10-minute time frame. What does that look like? Three to one. What if I made this a little tighter? 64,950. Oh, I like that. 94 for 419. 64,840. All right. I'm gonna leave this open for now. It's a super tight stop loss, so we could very well get wicked out. I wouldn't recommend anyone following me on this. I'm speculating that we get a rotation to the top of the range and we reverse, because ultimately this is a bearish setup here, right? You got a rising channel. So probabilities say that it's going to break to the downside, and that measured move should give us down to the 200 MA at around 64,157. So we'll see if that happens. Super speculative again, because we are front running a Bitcoin dump, but it hasn't shown us on, at least on the 10-minute time frame, which is where the trade is being entered. It's not showing us that it's going to dump. But we're looking for a premium sniper entry, so we do take on a little more risk. But that's what I got going on here. 64,840 for a short, with TP up, or stop loss up at 64,950, TP down at the 200 MA on the 10-minute time frame at 64,144, which is also the measured move if this thing does decide to drop. What a legendary entry that would be for a short. Would love a big wick and a spill. Even if we took profits down here at the bottom end of the range, we're still at a little more than a 2 to 1. But we'll keep it there at a 6 to 1 on a trade setup here. Let's take a peek at the crypto bubbles again. Same. Let's look at Pump.Fun. I know Rob was short on Pump.Fun yesterday. I don't know if he made money on it or not, but let's take a peek at where this is at. I swore, there it is. Bam. Pump.Fun.
Hit the like button.
What? You want to talk about a short?
No. No. I just say hit the like button. Hit the like button, folks. Sorry. Go ahead.
Look at that.
Oh, what you looking at? Tweez tops? What you looking at?
Looks like a setup for an evening star.
Yeah. The very early beginning of it, right?
Yep.
Sniper entry. We might have to bring that sniper back, Laura. Sniper entry.
Look at the 10 hour. 10 hours already starting to roll over.
Yeah.
6 hour. And the 4 hour right at the 9 MA. Coming off a fresh red dot. This looks shortable to me. This looks very shortable to me.
All right, short the coin, man.
I'm going to wait for volume. Ooh. What if we drew a fib here? Oh, I love that gold pocket confluence. Gold pocket confluence with a 200 MA. What does that look like? 2.7 to 1. What if we got a little bit of a better entry here? Kind of like that, man. Let me go to Pump.Fun here. Pump.Fun. Is it this one? Yeah. Pump.Fun daily. There it goes. There she goes. What if we did limit last? Stop at there. And what if we brought this down to the 786? instead of the 50 on the daily. Let's take a look. It was a fib, low to high, stretch that high. 786 is right here. Let's go ahead and copy the price. TP. And let's see what that looks like. Cross, yes. Damn. 100 for 480. 148 for 644. 186 for 800. I'm going to speculate on this one too, on a short. All right, there you go. Pumped off on short on the daily. So the entry is now TP is, or stop loss is above the wick. TP down at the 786 fib retracement level, which is where we, in fact, what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to ladder out on this thing. I'm going to start using the partial TP a lot more. So let's do that together. Here's the way it works if you're using BitUnix. We're going to cancel our TP. We're going to go up here. We're going to go to partial. Let's take partial right here at the 200. Let's go 50%. And let's, yes. And then let's take the rest at the 786, which was, I believe, right here. We'll do that. So 267 plus 448. It's 700 some odd dollars. Now, where the hell was that 786? I'm so sorry, guys. Let me do this one more time. There's that 786. Bam. Okay. Is that you?
Yeah, I just into the short with you.
You like it?
I guess so.
Don't just blindly follow, bro. Then you make me feel bad, man. You gotta like the trade.
I do like the trade. I do like the trade on the daily. And I was looking at the weekly too. I was looking at some resistance levels and, you know, see what we could do there. See what we could do. I'm in the trade, man.
Okay. Is pump on breakout? It should be. It is. Let's go. I'm doing this on breakout as well. All right. So you can take over. I'm just setting up the exact same trade.
I would just say this to everybody trading pump, especially on BitUnix. Be careful. There's another coin called Pump that's not Pump Fun. So make sure it says Pump Fun.
Good.
It confused the hell out of me before. I'm like, why is it nothing matching up?
That's a great comment there, JP.
So Pump Fun is the ticker on BitUnix, not just Pump.
All right. And we're on breakout as well, baby.
Hey, here we go.
All right, man. We on all types of platforms, bro.
Yeah.
Man, for those of you that have never tried Breakout, I'd highly recommend it. Oh, look at this, JP. You are going to be so excited for this, man. Look what they just posted. Tomorrow, an entire new asset class hits Breakout. Markets close everywhere. Price 24/7 here. Be ready.
So like more stocks, Apple, crypto.
They listed the NASDAQ, then they list the S&P. What do you think they're talking about?
A new asset class. It got to be gold, like gold and
It's got to be macro assets.
Yeah.
Whether that's gold, whether that's silver, whether that's
something like that. I would think that some of those commodities, maybe gold, silver, oil. I would think. You said asset class.
An entire class.
A new asset class. Well, they could be talking about just the stock class. You know,
they could be talking about stocks. They could be talking about.
But they already gave us the damn NQ. We have the class. We have that class.
So it's not indices.
What class do we not?
Well, the
have?
indices are a class, right? So it's not indices. They don't have commodities. It could be commodities. They don't have stocks. It could be stocks.
Yeah.
Or it could be some dumb shit like meme coins. I don't know.
The meme coin,
which I don't think it is.
The degenerate class.
Because it says that markets that close everywhere else.
Yeah.
So it's got to be TradFi.
Yeah, it's TradFi.
And I'm excited, man.
Me too, man.
I'm start mirroring trades. Also, so we had the phone call with the founder of Breakout. Super cool dude. And we talked about copy trading an API to where you can just either have multiple Breakout accounts or have one place you put in your trade, and it could, like, instead of going, all right, I'm going to put it on BitUnix, now I'm going to put it on Breakout, I'm going to put it on BTCC, and I'm going to put it on this one.
Yeah.
It does it all for you. And so that is something that's in the talks as well. So a lot of improvements coming on Breakout. Mm-hmm. Wow, all my trades are green now that I closed out that stupid-ass ETH short, huh? Mm-hmm. Look at that on Breakout. I mean, it's not much. It's $22, but at least we're seeing green. We love to open up the thing and see green.
We love the green.
Let's check Breakout. I was getting clapped on Oracle. Coming back down. We like to see it. second consecutive lower high, but is this as part of a larger bullish consolidation? Maybe we get clapped on this trade. Let's reduce our risk just a tad bit.
And make it clap.
$2. We reduced our trade risk by $2. Can I get a round of applause, please? That $2 buys me those. Do you like spicy Mexican candy, like the tamarind?
No.
That's another thing.
No.
Do you remember when I asked you yesterday about salmon?
Yes.
That's another thing that fits into that exact. Also, I'm gonna have my boy Sheldon coming here sometime. He's
pull up.
He's gonna be someone you're gonna love to talk to, bro. I was talking on the phone for like an hour.
Oh, where is he, man? Where is he?
He is currently a biotech engineer.
Oh,
yeah,
biotech engineer. But he, my brother. Okay,
but he trades.
But he trades.
He trades a lot.
Okay,
super cool dude. Love that guy. It's my bro right there, man.
Hey, well, bring him in, man. Let's hang
Godfather
out.
of my kids.
Let's have a bro date, bro playtime hangout sesh thing.
Bro playtime? What are we, fucking 5? Hey, I'll bring my Legos. You bring your tumbling mat. We can play Twister. Bro play date.
That's what it sounds like, man. I don't know.
All right.
Oh, I'm open to it. I'm open to it.
Very open. Very, very open.
All right.
Should see some volatility here as the market's closing about that's 2 hours away still. Speaking of, no idea what I was speaking of, to be completely honest with you.
Oh, yeah. I got something.
What you got?
All right. Show my screen.
That's you.
All right. So this is going to be the Unk Man. This is the from the bottom up, man. What do you think about it? I'm going to start scrolling up here. The Unk Man costume. Do you like the shoes? Very unkish?
Unk Man? Yeah, very unkish.
Like that? And white socks? Okay, got the keys. Okay, the keys.
I love, hold on. I love the phone case hanging out. Very unkish.
That's so unkish, yo.
Very unkish.
Having your phone just exposed like that.
And then a second phone in the pocket of the vest. Very unkish as well.
Seriously. Okay, nice watch. Okay, I like it. The flannel with the fishing
watch
jacket.
Doesn't match. I don't know if the flannel matches. The watch definitely doesn't match.
Hello, Unk.
Are we talking about Unk from the hood or like or Unk from like the suburbs? Because I think this matters.
It's definitely suburbs, Unk, I think.
Suburbs. This is definitely suburb vibe for sure.
This is like outdoorsy, like
also potential
fishing.
Rural.
Yes.
Unk.
Yes.
You know.
I mean, there's all types of unks out here, right?
Definitely not like city or urban, for sure.
No, he's definitely an outdoorsman. It seems like he likes a little bit of country music. You know, he definitely goes fishing. He goes hunting.
He definitely looks like.
What do you think?
I can't say it. I can't do it.
Oh God! Well, don't do it.
Okay. Just in case there's children watching.
Unk. Yeah, there you go, Unk. Funny thing is, I feel like I do low key wear stuff like this. Take off the flannel though. Take off the flannel. I literally have a jacket like that. The exact fishing jacket. 100%. I definitely have those shorts. I do not have those sneakers though, or socks. I gotta say, I do not.
You have the cargo pants?
I do. Yeah, I have those cargo pants and that exact jacket with the patch and everything. I swear to God, I'll literally like pull it up. Not him sizing me up over here. I'll find the jacket.
Shoes, man.
I'll find the jacket and show you, man. All right, let's get back to the charts. Back to the charts. Do we have bear div? Any weakness? What's going on?
Did I get tapped in on my Bitcoin trade? Is it on the 10-minute? No, it's starting to reverse. I don't think I'm going to get tapped in. Oh, yeah. Come on. One more push up. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it, man. Tap me in. Tap me in and take me out. We do got to.
What you got, man? What you got, man?
We got to cut this thing, bro.
Oh, man.
Yeah. We got rent paying responsibilities.
We do.
Yeah. It's a little shorter stream today. But the day's going to finish a lot earlier than it's been all week. So,
oops.
There'll be more time on the back end there. Is there any final thing you want to take a peek, JP, before I send us into Valhalla here?
No. I would just say, and I'm talking to myself, monitor your trades. Manage your trades, monk man. Okay, put it into break even if it's looking good. Take TP early if it's looking good. Trade management, my friend. Trade management. Even though we may be busy today and have clients,
Screw the client. Pull up your chart on the thing.
Vodka Whiskey says, love you guys. So much love. All right, you want to make a heart? I'll do half the heart.
No, that's pretty gay.
Okay, yeah. That's pretty
Very gay. That's so gay.
It gets no gayer.
You know what, though? We're equal opportunity streamers, man.
Yeah.
I was talking to a limb doctor.
Okay.
And he was talking about limb lengthening. That's what he does. And then he said, I do about 8 cases a year. That's limb shortening. I said, who would want to get their limb shortened? Want to guess?
You.
You know the answer?
You want to be a short man?
No, hell no. I'm
Oh,
6'2",
okay.
bro.
Okay. Who would want that?
It's a trick question for the community. Who could you think of would want to have their limbs shortened? Throw it in the chat.
I would say maybe somebody tall enough to be a basketball player, but who's not a basketball player.
Nope.
Like, remember that guy? What's his name? Wembley or something like that? You see that?
Wembanyama. That's the whole reason why he's so renowned. It's because he's tall.
Exactly. But what if he wasn't a basketball player? What is he if he worked in a freaking cubicle?
Well, then I guess he gets the greatest point of view ever in that office. He gets to see everyone who's balding, who's not balding.
Oh my God.
But it's there's an answer for it, and it kind of I was like, wow, okay, I guess that kind of makes sense. Anyways, guys, we are done for the show today. Thank you all very much for tuning in. We'll be back here tomorrow in studio. As JP mentioned, make sure you are monitoring your trades. At any point, if you can give yourself a no-risk trade, in my opinion, it's never a bad idea. So keep that in mind. And last thing I'll say before I leave, I expect Bitcoin to drop, and I expect it to drop to the mid 63s. Not to say that that's going to be the longer term trend. I could see us move up, but the lower time frames are giving us dump vibes. Thank you all very much.
But 70K by the end of the night.
70K by the end of the day. Yeah. Shout out to the thumbnail guy. Hell yeah. 70K, man.
Yeah. Okay.
So cool.
Love you.
All right.
Love you guys.
We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.